Welcome to Fascinating World of Binary Options.
Yeah.
I just woke up. Todd woke me up. Man, I was having such a good nap, dude. I so needed a nap. And now we're in here. Today we're on track. We're on level 7, and we're gonna clear it. Are we gonna clear it? Are we gonna go to 6?
I think so.
Are we gonna go 6 with a 5 stop loss?
We're gonna add a stop loss to. Oh,
Oh my gosh!
excuse
What's
me.
wrong with you?
Excuse me. That was terribly unprofessional. Good thing we're just amateurs, huh?
Yeah.
I mean, sort of.
What do you mean amateurs? We have the #1 podcast in binary options.
I know. What am I saying?
And I'm glad that you mentioned that, because if you're watching us on Audible or listening on Audible, listening on Spotify, listening on iTunes or any platform, make sure you just take a minute, give us 5 stars on the platform, give us an extra. If you could give us 6, you could give us 6, because who else gets a burping podcast?
Exactly.
Host? Who else gets that? Who else gets that? Nobody. So do that, and we're going to be getting into charts. So we're at $1.30. We can go 5 deep. We're doing a 5 stop loss. I'm not going to explain stop loss other than to say this: we're going 6 deep with our percentage. But if we get to a 5th trade,
in the martingale system,
the martingale, I'm going to put up a stop loss video this week in our courses to teach you about the stop loss. I believe I taught that in my first course, but I'm going to make just a stop loss course. It teaches the martingale. We're going to be martingaling our trades. If we lose 5 trades in a row, we're going to stop. So it would knock us back $34. Let's see how far that would knock us back.
I think more than that, but
oh yeah, it would knock us back $60. Sorry, it would knock us back $60.
wait, 60? Just 60?
Just 60.
How was my math off? Because I thought 5 trades. If you lose 5 trades, it's gonna be more in the 70s, isn't it? Or is it?
No, it's 60.70. So we would be right now. I'm gonna do this math real quick, and then before you do anything else,
All right, yeah,
go
go
find
ahead
out
and
where you are.
do the math here. I gotta turn my
You're at
heater off.
642.96. Okay, so that's where you are. So you're at we're at 138 in our trading balance, 0.30. Actually, it would knock us back 60. So 642 minus 60. It would 642 minus. It would knock us back $60 right now, which would make our trading balance 582. And it'd be 107 would be our new trading balance. So it would knock us back to day 2. Okay.
Yeah, it'd be back quite a ways, wouldn't it?
We're on day 7, so it would knock us back 5 days. But if we went all the way, it would knock us back 140. It would knock us back to like negative numbers. So
if we did
back.
what now?
If
what
we go 6 full deep and actually blow a 6 trade, it would knock us back real far.
Oh yeah, yeah.
So it would knock us back 5. So it'd be 5 days back.
So wait, you have to add though what is the first trade today?
$1.30.
So 130 plus what? Plus, because it seems like it's higher. When I did the math, it was higher. I don't know why.
Because you don't know how to do math.
Well, that's true.
It'd be 510. So hold on, I'm seeing how far it would blow us back. So if we lost a 6 trade, it'd knock us back to 510. It would knock us back to $71. It would knock us back.
Yeah, way back.
Way back.
So this is a smart thing. We're doing this to protect, but we've got a plan if that happens. If that ever happens. Now, I don't think the likelihood, we've been doing this for, like 45 or more days now, and we haven't gone that deep yet. I think we've lost a 5th trade maybe once. How many times have we gone to a 6th trade? I think we've only done it once.
I don't know. Did we lose? We didn't lose a 6 trade.
No, but I think we've only lost a 5th once. Except for the other day we lost a 5th. So maybe twice. We've lost a 5th twice the whole time we've been doing it. We went to a 5th trade. We've been to a 5th trade once or a couple times. But we're going to do our best not to let that happen. But if we do, we are going to treat that as our last trade. And if we lose it, we're stopping and preserving some money. And then we will just, in addition to, not instead of, we'll try to use our super series that we've talked about as a means of getting it back and trying to fill that in. But it's better to be knocked back a few days than to be knocked back
It would be no. It would actually knock
a
us
lot.
back 4 days, I think. Anyway. All right, here we go.
So we're gonna. Are we about ready to get the show on the road here?
If you, yeah.
Well, yeah,
I'm
I'm ready. But first, I got to put on a Frankenstein mask.
Oh, Frankenstein mask. What's wrong with you, man? That's just creepy and scary. Oh
Yeah.
yeah, you should trade
I
like
think
that
this-
the whole time.
I think I'm ready now.
Are you gonna trade like that the whole time? And you can't even see nothing, dude. That's all right. We're in. Let's get this party started. Actually, I got to write down my Martin guess.
Yeah, write those down because that's important. And then, so everything is pretty much all out of 92%. I guess that's like
Is it?
an afternoon thing. Yeah, it appears to be.
That's all right. We're not super serious. We're not
No,
super
we're not.
seriesing anyway. So,
We're not. No, that's correct. We're not.
all right. The timer started for 75-minute countdown. Let's try to make this happen. Oh wow, gold.
Gold?
Heck yeah! Look at that, dude. Gold's just on its way up. Our first bid's 130. Our trade is 130. Our first trade is 130. Think we should take this? I don't know, man. Yeah.
Well, we're approaching a line way back there, but it is just kind of stair stepping up. So yeah, I mean that looks. I would feel confident taking a trade on that, but there's kind of warring indicators. Stochastic for some odd
I
reason is
don't know. You want to
creeping
take
down.
it? I mean, I don't know, dude.
But yeah, it looks
You wanna
like
take
it is
That's
just
high.
it's going. This is kind of a big candle, but yeah, I mean it's still going up. So
I don't know. How many times did I hit the trade button?
once
That's a massive candle, dude.
it is.
We wanted to get in and just start trading right away, just blowing trades, just blowing them right out the door. I had a bad feeling about that just because of how freaking huge that
Well, I
was.
said that was a big candle, but
Well, let's just get going with it here.
I think it could still keep going up though. I think it may still win.
Well, let's see. Yeah, it might. I mean, where's it going? I mean, it is going up.
It's going
It
up,
is
dude.
going up,
It's still going up.
We can't re-enter this though. I don't think, can we?
Not yet. Not like it is now.
It's
But
kind of it's kind of at a line.
Yeah, there's a bit of a line up there, but hopefully it'll get up above our call line there in the next few seconds. But I don't know if it's going to or not. No, this is a loss, bro.
Well, there you go, folks. Welcome in to the fascinating world of binary options. Oh, dude, look at that. It went up. It
Yep.
went up. You sucker. I thought about doing a 2-minute call on that anyway. Oh, dude, look at Brent oil. We should probably slow down, though. Remember?
Yeah, why don't we?
We're supposed to look at charts and like think about them. See if they're doing what they're doing. That was a crazy entry. All right, so let's. I'm gonna reset this to $3. We only got 5 trades, so let's start looking and see what's happening. It's ooh, dude, crude. Oh,
Gold
gosh,
is-
dude,
Well, hold on.
dude, freaking go to crude. Look at that.
Yeah,
Let's
crude is
pretend-
rounding down. Crude could waterfall. Crude.
You think we should
could
try it? Oh,
just-
yeah, it's a $3 trade. I don't know. Yeah, I mean it's been crossing. It's going down. Do you want to try it, or do you want to?
Take a 2-minute.
Look at 2, man. Yeah, look at crude. It's like waterfalling, dude. It's all the rage, dude. All the rage of just tanking down. Let's go back here and delete my lines from yesterday.
Yeah, everything about this says that it's going to tank, but
Yeah, double cross.
It's not
went
going there
down.
quickly, but yeah.
It's kind of been going up. Then it's been going down. It's been going up, going down, up, and down. Where did it hit? It didn't quite get up to its line here, did it?
No, it's kind of making me nervous. I'd rather it end, get closer to that white line before this candle ends here in a few seconds. But
Where are we at anyway? Where's our line? The line's right here. No, right here. Right here. That was kind of a weird jump up it just did.
it was, but I think now it's going to go down a little more. I want to think it is. It looks like it sure could. We'll see.
I'm looking at this.
But I don't know.
Come on. Come
Come
on.
on, drop.
Come on. There we go.
That's what I'm
That's
talking
some
about. Go
strength.
down, go down, go down, go
That's some
down, go down.
strength.
There you go. Just blow
That's
down
some
through
strength.
there.
Come on. That's some strength. That's kind of a line. If we really analyze that, we took our put right on the line. If I went way back here, right here,
Mm-hmm.
that's where it was. It kind of like
Well-
went up, then it went down, then it went up, then it went down.
We're already a second loss, bro.
Boom! All right, well, let's just keep going. I like the way this is going. It's a third trade, man.
Yeah, let's slow down. Let's make this the make this the final trade before we get a win.
Yeah, we got to get a win. All right, I'm going back to one.
Okay, gold though. Look at gold.
I know, I am looking at it. What is gold? I mean, you think it's going down now?
It sure looks like it, but I don't know. It's kind of hit a line, so yeah. I mean, there is a line that it's at, and right when it hit this line the last time, it just plummeted.
Kinda
So
plummeted. It's a big can. Yeah, it did. It kind of plummeted. Unless it's gonna. You think we should put a 2-minute on this, then wait for the candle to open and see if it's not just gonna.
yeah, I would give it 2 minutes at least.
2 minutes. I'm gonna wait till it opens, because that's really far. Now I'm not sure because it just kind of peaked up. I think we should wait for a green
Just
candle.
wait a minute. We got to win this. So
I think this is gonna be a green candle, kinda. If not, though, then we could have a sell down. I think if it gets to the top of this line, we should probably put it. Like if it gets to the. You know what I mean? Like if it gets up there.
yeah,
Like 2 minutes. I think positionally, I think you're right. This is probably going down.
I mean, I think it is,
Or we
but
can wait for a double cross.
I'm just
Because the double cross is setting up right now. It's not going to double cross yet, but I'm not so convinced this next candle isn't going to be green. Like it isn't going to want to go back to the line, to the upper line, right?
I don't know. I'm not looking at it anymore.
Okay, well.
I'm
gonna
looking
keep-
for other charts so that we don't miss anything good. While
Okay,
we're
you look
waiting on
around.
it.
I'm going to watch for this one. I'm going to put 1 minute in because I think this could be a double cross win. Crap, bro. Yeah, if this double crosses, I think we should take it.
What is it now? So I can go back to it.
Gold, and it's got 30 seconds. It's going down. It's pushing down pretty hard. I think if it goes
It could also just turn around on us.
right, I'm saying if it double crosses. Like if this next candle double crosses, then I think we should just take it.
I don't know. They're not quite close enough for that to happen yet. Not without it crossing mid candle. It ain't going to do it at the open. But I think
That's
the next candle could be a red candle. I mean, it's still going down. But
I got a 1 minute on it. If it double
can't-
crosses hard now, I would take it. If not, I'm going to wait. I mean, it's going to have to cross hard. And I don't think it will. I think
I
it's
don't
going to
think
go
it will.
straight. There, okay, there it's
They
straight.
touched. They didn't cross.
Yeah, that's why I mean. That's why I wouldn't take it. Now I'm just going to watch it and see if I actually think it's going to go down. So I'm not so sure. This chart's got a lot of history of up and down.
Mm-hmm.
So like if this next candle double crosses, I think it'd be a 1 minute. I think it's going to go to the white line, or at least go down to this line. At this point, it could be a double cross. Look at the pressure and
Well, it's got some up pressure though,
right. I know. That's
and
why
it's
I'm
not
waiting.
moving down much. It's not.
That's why I'm waiting for it to go down.
It
Like I
just
don't know
keeps
that it's
pulling
going
back
to.
up. I don't know. That's kind of scary for a third trade.
Yeah, but it's going to double cross right now, maybe. No, it's not strong enough.
No, that's not strong at all.
Okay.
Like, I'm not convinced it isn't going to go up from here.
Right, that's what I was saying. I'm actually thinking that anything it'd be a call because the double cross was a fake. You know, but that's not our jam on a third candle.
No.
Look around. I'm just gonna look around and kind of chill a minute until I find something I think's gonna actually do something.
Yeah, let's not.
Amazon is looking like it could be a double cross. It's been going up, but it's actually setting up to go back down. Possibly, if it, I'm not saying now, but like in the next couple candles, it might. It's got to do something. It's kind of hit a line. This line is kind of a big one that it's hit here. Yeah, I think it might go back down to that line.
Amazon?
Yeah, I'm just saying it might go back down. It's kind of overbought now. I guess it could just go back up. It kind of hit that line twice. Hit that line and broke through it that time. But it's kind of hanging straight. Goes up, flattens out, goes up, flattens out. I thought it was going to go back down a minute ago. That's heading up. It'd be heading up, man.
Yeah.
I'm not sure how strong it's heading up. It's got above. It's not convincing me of anything, actually.
I'm just being patient and looking for the right that right chart that you just know.
Like silver?
I don't know. Is silver that chart?
I don't know, man. Silver's, I don't know. It's kind of. Like
I mean,
you think that next candle is going to be red after this one? It's been kind of doing that. It's been kind of. It could probably go down.
It's a possibility. I mean, but it's going to hit a line, so.
It's been down to there before. It's kind of all crossing down, unless it turns around this line, which it has every other time. It did the last time. I don't know. It could totally turn around, but I think it's going to go down from here.
That's a big candle.
Yeah. Yeah, that's why I think it hit the line. It's going to head back up. The lines on silver would be here and here, and then if it could break down, if it could break down, it could break down hard. Silver's got a couple lines to break before it has a free fall arena.
You think so?
Mm-hmm.
Has to get higher before it can fall, right?
I know some. It's got to break that line there, going down, and it's got to break that one going down, or it. Right now, it's completely fighting that white line.
Mm-hmm.
But the indicators are still down, and
what's going to win? Is the downward push going to win, or is the white line going to win?
Geez, I don't know, because the indicators are all down, but the white line is very rejected right now. It's very rejected.
Mm-hmm.
So higher highs and higher lows. Higher highs, higher lows. I'd say we could. I mean, we can't do anything.
I wish we could get. I wish that Twitter was. I mean, dude, look at Twitter. It's only paying 72%, but man, I wish we had gotten in on that.
Yeah. dude.
at some point.
Yeah. Dude, go to Tesla. Tesla's on 80%. Tesla's kind of underneath.
That is a massive candle.
But it's kind of, I don't know. The positioning isn't right, but it looks like it looks like it's under the white line, and it could free fall if it doesn't go back to the white line. You know. So is Johnson & Johnson. It's not paying very good, but
No. It's not, is it?
Wow. In position, I'd almost take a call on gold, dude.
Well, let me look at it.
It's kind of in between two lines, and it's hit that line and bounced down, hit this line, and I think it's going up at least another candle or two.
I don't know, bro. Maybe.
Well, I mean, look at it. It's
But it
hit that line, went down, hit that line. I'm just gonna watch it and see if I'm right. I would have taken a 2-minute right here. Indicators are kind of flat, so. Oh crap, Brent oil. Yeah, see, Brent oil's stepping down now too. Stepping down to the white line. I don't know. Brent oil's stepping down the white line, but it's above the white line. We've kind of been disregarding that a lot.
yeah.
We've been bidding against the white line.
Been what against the white line?
Trading. We've been trading against the white line a lot. And I mean, I think it's kind of kicking our butts.
Yeah. This one would too.
Yeah, I almost think we could call this one just because of the white line. Just because it's probably heading back up. It keeps going green, and then it'll red, then it'll green, then it'll red. Green, then it'll green, then couple red, green, red, green, red, green, red, green. And gold is, yeah, I might, let's see. Yeah, I'd be narrowly winning. Well, I'd be on the line right now winning on gold if I would have taken a 2-minute call on it. Probably losing it at this point. I got a $6.80 trade on a 1 minute. You find anything that looks like it's just real? Oh man, crude oil. I'm still saying, dude. Look at crude, dude. You think crude? Look at crude quickly, because crude is like.
Yeah.
Look at
Yeah.
it.
Yeah. This could be about to fall, dude. I think you could safely take this.
A 1 minute.
Yep. Yeah. This. I mean, there's nothing about this that seems like this isn't going to just go straight down.
This is a third trade. I'm going to reset this and assume we win this.
I think we'll win this one, bro.
Can we take some more, though? I think it's passing through the white line. The white line is kind of... Could this be a 3 or 4 or 5 candle winning streak?
It's already 4 candles in. It could have another few
4?
left. There's no reason not to try.
Okay.
I mean, I think, as long as we get the win on this one, which I don't see why we won't.
As long as it's a clear win.
As long as it doesn't...
MACD headed down.
Crap.
That's all right. We got 10 seconds.
That's all we got is 10 seconds. Come on, push down.
7
push
seconds.
Down. Push down. Push down. Push down. There we go. We kind of got a high position on that. Crap, we just freaking lost it. Are you serious? Gosh, dang it. How?
15:30. We're at a third bid.
Third trade.
Third trade.
That was a third trade. This is a fourth.
Oh, right. Yeah, fourth. All right.
Dang it. I mean,
look.
How?
I don't know, man. I'm not really sure. I mean, because it kind of looked like it was going. It stepped straight down. But these kind of turned around. So
Yeah, that was a major turnaround.
all right,
dude.
I'm going to look for a crossover, dude. I'm actually in Apple right now.
What's the next trade? Hold on. This is gonna keep going down, bro.
Okay, which one was that? Gold?
Crude.
Crude. Okay. You think it's gonna keep going down?
Well, let's see.
I don't know. But I know that gold. I know that Apple is about to cross. Oh crap! It just did. Dang it! It just crossed over.
What's the next trade amount?
1530.
You got it set?
Yeah, and hold on. Oh, gold is gold. Is gold the one we were looking at? Because gold is stepping down. It's under the white line. It might be one to watch because it's got some lines there. Unless it consolidates. Yeah, gold might go look at gold, dude.
I'm looking at it.
Because like this one, if this one can keep going down, which I don't know that it will. The moving averages look like they're kind of set up. The stochastic is a big crick. The MACD is heading down though, and it's still heading down.
I don't know.
Let's watch
Dude,
and see what happens here.
It's kind of turned around after it went through there.
I'm not sure it's turned around yet.
I think now this is going to go green.
Well, yeah. I got 2 minutes at 15:30. We'll have to change. Oh man, what's Apple doing? Yeah. See, I would have won the flipping crossover in Apple if I had seen it in time. That was like a perfect setup too. Dang it. I would have won the flipping cross in Apple. I'm gonna be patient and go look for a cross.
But now it's like turning around. You see that?
Gold?
Apple.
Well, yeah. Yeah.
I'm seeing a lot of turnarounds today.
Should we just call this next candle for 2 minutes? Like it's going up? I mean,
No,
every
I
time
don't
it
want
goes
to be.
down, it kind of goes up, you know? I mean, let's watch it. Let's say if we called this for 1 minute.
Which one? No,
Apple. Let's say
Apple.
if we called it. Yeah, that might be bad because it's still,
Yeah, because we don't know it's not going to keep going down. But
it's kind of consolidating. When does it? Yeah, we gotta wait for a double cross. Right now, I'm gonna only do double cross bids for me, unless you find something to
double cross what?
Double cross trading,
Mhm.
because and towards or with the trend, because I clearly see, like on Apple, when it double crossed down here with the trend, boom, it had a bunch of green candles. I mean, it's just obvious. That double cross in Apple that happened a minute ago would have won at least 1 minute. A 1 minute candle would have won. 1 minute trade would have
But now
won.
is it going to go back up? I mean, is it going to go way back up to the line?
I mean, that's what it's been doing. We could take a 2 minute call from here if you feel good about it, or a 3 minute even. You know, we'd have to get in on it soon. What do you think? You want to try it? I mean, the stochastic's about to cross. I would take if I was going to call something here, I'd call it for like 3 minutes and let it just go. You know, I'd wait till it got kind of low and then just call it.
I'm not sure it's not going to either go down or consolidate. I don't know. That got kind of low.
Well, it's farting with the white line, so I'm gonna go look for clear double cross that I can trust. One that's setting up like clearly. That one's crazy. You might want to look at Johnson & Johnson. It looks like it might be doing something interesting. We'll keep looking at Apple. Gold's doing the same kind of thing as Apple's doing. I mean, it's going up a couple, going down a couple, going up a couple.
Johnson & Johnson is at a line.
And it's crazy. Oh man. Pfizer's one on my radar now because it's actually consolidating at a line right here. And the white line is straight, and it's going to double cross very soon. And when it does, I want a 1 minute on it. Just look at Pfizer.
Yeah, I'm at it.
Because when it double crosses, it might be a couple more candles.
Well, do you think there's going to be a couple more from here? Do you want to take a 2 minute
I
from
don't
here?
I don't know if it's going to double cross. I guess. I mean, we could, but I don't know. Like
It's been moving
it,
downward, but I don't know.
it could consolidate and go back up from here. That's why I'd want to kind of see it actually,
Yeah.
because right now there's two consolidation points. Like a low one and a high one. It's kind of been bouncing in between that.
Well, do you think when this breaks out, it's going to break out downward or upward?
I mean, I think it's either way at this point, right? But if it double crosses down, then I'm gonna want to go down. If it breaks out, I don't know that I would trade on the breakout, because then it's just a matter of how many is it going to go up. Maybe it breaks out a few and then goes back down.
Right.
I want a double cross.
And when you're on a third trade or a fourth trade,
When a fourth trade, I want a double cross because I think it can win on one. unless we just find one that's clearly stepping and just like cranking. Crude is almost setting up a double cross on the upside too. So Pfizer and Crude is who I'm looking at. In terms of positioning, I think that they could possibly become a cross situation in the next 5 minutes. Amazon. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. These charts are kind of kicking our butts, to be honest.
Yeah, a little bit.
Oh, that one just double cross. American Express.
Silver is gonna probably keep going down, but I don't know. There could be a green. Based on the pattern, it could have a green candle right away.
Yeah, it could.
And it did.
Right. There's nothing that.
Yeah, there's a lot of volatility.
Mm-hmm.
This is a bad time of the day to be trading.
Visa, not really. Not for another half hour. Well, Fridays are kind of bad. Look at Visa OTC. You got 30 seconds. That already did double cross, and it already did kind of go up, and it's kind of.
I don't know, dude. This looks sketchy. Like,
yeah,
it did it before. It did the exact same scenario, just back a few candles.
Yeah.
There's the green with the big wick at the bottom, the middle size, then a smaller green, and then it went red.
Right. Yeah.
Not something I trust on a fourth trade.
Pfizer. Okay, Pfizer is still setting up. It's got some interesting feeling going to it. Crude was setting up to go up, but it's going down. Dollar didn't cross, but it's, yeah. I can't trust crude now. I was waiting for it to double cross, but it didn't. I haven't looked at any currency pairs yet.
They're not even close to crossing.
What, in crude?
Yeah.
Because it was getting ready to go up, and then it turned and went back down. I was waiting for the double cross on the upside. Because of that, I think this.
Yeah, it's at a line, but it's a pretty significant line. But
I think it could go below this line and open up. Maybe I'll keep watching it.
Yeah, crude you're talking about?
Yeah.
Shot down below there, and then I don't know. If anything, I'd take a put from up here while it's still green, because I think it's going below there. But
on crude? Oh yeah, I think it's going down, dude. I want to take a. I don't know. It's a third trade. This is a fourth trade.
It's fourth trade, and we're at a line, but
I'd want to see it. I mean, it might just.
This is a significant line because it stopped a couple times there.
Right. I would not put this here. I mean, I just don't know. I think it is.
I do think it's going to go down. I think it's going to break that line this time, but I can't be sure of that.
Let's watch it, because.
But while this was green, if you took like a 3 minute put, let's see if you'd have won. I think you'd win, but.
You want me to take a 3 minute put? Let's wait and see if this opens. You want me to take a 3? Well, it's consolidating from up here.
Yeah, it might consolidate. So.
I mean, it's underneath the white line.
I don't know. It doesn't seem to want to break this line, though.
No, that's what I was worried about, a put close to that line. I mean, I would want to put more up here. Like if it got back up to this line, up to that top red candle. Pfizer. Oh, Pfizer's okay. Pfizer's breaking up out of its consolidation. Okay, it's got no resistance up there,
Mm-hmm.
but I don't know if that's just a little. Hey, I'm going up here for a
Yeah,
second. I mean,
we don't know. That's a big, big candle. That could just shoot straight back down as soon as the next candle opens.
yeah, because look at all those little candles behind it, like tiny little candles.
Mm-hmm.
They just bam. I'd almost put this.
And that's too like abnormal.
Yeah. It's too, the position's so high, I just almost feel bad about calling it up there.
Yeah.
But crude is still rising. I'm going to go look for some double crosses.
I don't think we have anybody watching us, not on Facebook. Anyway.
Weirdly enough, there's nobody.
Yeah, that just like shot back down. Do you think you should call it from down here though?
On crude?
Pfizer.
No, I don't know, man. Well, it shot back down really far. If we think it's going up and it's not going to go back into its consolidation pattern, we could call like a 2-minute call when it gets. It's so confusing though, because I don't know.
Right.
You know, it could just go down 4 candles from here. I mean,
Yeah.
It broke out of that consolidation, but it immediately said, "No, I'm going to go back down." Is it really an up pattern yet?
I don't know. It would be a guess, dude.
Yeah, this would be a guess with no indication, other than it is going up and it's been going up. It's a lot of wicks and a lot of jumpiness, which makes me think, you know, we could get a good position and the next candle could just jump right through it.
I think McDonald's is gonna go. I think it's gonna go green on this next candle, maybe, or it's consolidating. I don't know. Don't do anything,
Holy
but
crap,
just
bro.
maybe it's gonna keep going down. Oh, there's the green candle. So maybe.
What, Pfizer?
Well, now crap, it's out of line. No, I'm at McDonald's. It's out of line though, so I don't know that
Right
it's
now?
gonna. But
Oh,
it got
yeah.
the green candle out, so maybe it's gonna go down a couple more.
It's at a line right here, isn't it?
But there's a significant line there.
But it's been up to this level twice in the last 4 candles, all the way up here. It went up way and then shot down. Then it went way up and then it shot down. So I mean, it's got some serious like turnaround potential.
Mm-hmm.
I'd almost take a 4-minute put or call right at the bottom of this line. You know, although it does look like it might waterfall, but it's been
It looks like it
rejected.
could break through it this time though.
It's been rejected at this line quite a bit.
Mm-hmm.
See, it's touching it, bouncing, touching it, bouncing. What makes you think this is going to go red next?
I don't know. I was only thinking that before
Right.
because the random green candle already happened. And I thought maybe it'll go red a few more, but then I saw that line back there. And now I'm thinking, I don't know.
Oh, man. Crude finally double crossed. Probably would have won that one. Dang it. I would have won that one big time. If it had done it. Yeah, crude just double crossed and I would have won it like a massive win.
Look at McDonald's again. Is it breaking that line?
No, it's not, dude.
Do you think it's going to?
No, I think we'd take a 5-minute call and win it. Look at it, dude. It's just touching that line and keeps getting rejected every time. Any minute now, it's going to start shooting up from here.
You think so? Do you want to chance it? If it touches back down, you want to take a 3-minute call?
I would. I mean, if it actually touches it, like at any point that it touches it, I would.
It's about to, but I don't know.
Yeah.
It looks like it could go through it now. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe not.
Well,
Maybe
well,
you're right,
well, those
dude. I'm gonna
stochastics,
hope you're right.
those
I'm gonna hope you're
stochastics
right
cricking.
here.
Yeah. The stochastic is cricking and actually changing position. Not that that means anything today.
Right. Not that it means much today, but we're gonna just hope and pray this goes up. I mean, it keeps hitting that line, and yes. Keep going.
It's been
It's
bouncing up and down.
It's like been bouncing up and down, but dude, it's got a big history of turning around here.
Yeah, every time it gets low, it bounces. I mean, almost every time, dude. And it's unless it's just gonna totally. And look at that line, bro. You go way back there. This is a massive line. You could make this a 5-point line. It's been at this line a bunch. It hit it there, boom, hit it there. Try to go back down, hit it there. Try to go back down, hit it here. 1 minute 53. I think we're in the win on this one. But how are we gonna get 12 wins like this, man? Can we just?
Well, normally we don't get this many turnarounds. We've just kind of hit up.
Well, as long
same
as
way
we
we the same way we
don't lose 5 candles.
Yeah, the same way we get 12 wins any other time, you know.
We find one that's cascading, falling, and we just take them.
We just win them, but we haven't caught those yet. So, oh crap! Come on, no.
Minute 12. I'm gonna tell you, dude, it's wicked out down there a ton. It doesn't have enough. It doesn't have enough.
Yeah,
pressure.
it's gonna go up. I think it's gonna go up.
Look at dude. We could actually win. I'm gonna put this back down to 1 minute, and I think we should re-enter if this wins. As long as it's not.
We have a great position right now. We
right
really do.
right now, it's about to double cross to the upside. So
okay, so reset it for our.
I want to see this win first.
Yeah, I do too. We're not taking it until it does. But
it could. Yeah, if we lose this, it won't double cross because it'll go down. But 40 seconds. This double cross is going to happen. I mean, I think that if this wins and we were right, then we could win several going up. 30 seconds. It doesn't look. It looks like it's settling in.
Oh my gosh! Come on.
That's all right. It's still winning. 22 seconds. Come on. Oh, this candle's going to go up from here. It's going to end 2-1, and then it's going to go green. Hopefully this goes green. Thank goodness. Thank God. Go green.
Well, maybe. Yeah, there we go.
There we go.
Here we go. Go. Green.
Go green, baby.
Oh, Lord,
go
give us some
green,
green.
baby. Go green, baby. Go green, baby. 2-1-0. Bumpy Gato. Oh, that touchdown, dude.
That close, but we got it.
I'm cracking up on Fascinating World of Binary Options today. Dude, did you see how close that was?
Yeah.
Okay, wait a minute, though. Is it going to double cross? It looks like it might, dude. It looks like it might. It's really flat down here. This chart just kills me. Crude, I lost the double cross on crude, a really good one. You know
what do you
what
mean
I
you
think?
lost it?
I missed it. I was waiting for it, and I was over here messing around, and I missed it, and I came back, and it just had crossed, and it went straight up.
Okay,
and
this
massive
is
win.
about to double cross, though. If you want to watch
Okay.
it, McDonald's is about to double cross.
If McDonald's does what it's been doing, if it bounces off that massive
Here you go. You're
line-
about to get your double cross. Are you set at $1.30, whatever it is?
I'm set at $1.30, and if it crosses, if
If it does, you want to take it from down here, or do you think it's going to go up?
I mean, we could take a 2 minute from right here again and hope it goes up.
I don't even know if you need a 2 minute because you're entering mid candle way down here. So,
But it's not double cross. See, it's farting around.
well, that's true.
I
and
could take it
go
from
down.
right here. I could take it from right here. I'm just.
You
gonna
think
take
it's all right? Whatever.
Yeah, because it's at the lowest low. I mean, and it
And
looks like
it's either going to break that or it's going to go back up.
and the stochastic is just pointing straight up right now. I mean, dude, it's gonna double cross in this candle right here. I think this is
That was a good position. If it's going to win, it's going to win.
right. And if it's gonna double cross, we might be able to enter again. If it double crosses and for real right here, like if this candle goes green and it shoots up.
Yeah, I think we're probably
Okay,
going to win
that was a
this one.
weak. That was a sideways, but our position is so good.
It is a good position.
That was weak though on the double cross. I wouldn't have taken that as a real double cross because it kind of like went
Dang,
sideways.
come on.
15 seconds.
Crap.
15
gonna
seconds. I think
retract.
we're gonna win. Yeah, I mean it can't. It's having a hard time getting down there. Dang it. Dang it. Dang it. Come on. Retract. You got 5 seconds.
No, we
Come on,
lost it.
baby. Come on, baby. Come on. Hey, quit being all naysay. Oh!
Might have tied it. Nope, we lost it.
It almost tied it. Well, is it okay? Is this going to cascade from here then? I mean, this may be the moment of what we've been waiting for. I'm gonna
Well,
set-
it kind of broke, but it's kind of still, it's still
Right.
wicked out there. It's still kind of at this level. So
well, that was a 1 minute. If I had taken a 2, we'd be winning it right now. Dang it! There's
True.
the double cross.
we're on a second trade. What's the second trade amount? You got it in there?
$3. So okay, is this next candle going to be green right here? No.
You could take it from down here. This is a second trade. If you got your,
I don't know if I trust. Is it really going to double cross? Is it really going to?
I don't know, maybe not. Let's don't fart around with this thing.
Yeah, this is kind of farting around. I want a double cross.
well.
That was nearly a win, but still.
I just want a nice waterfall that we can win. You know, a good amount of trades on.
Well, in McDonald's, I was thinking, dude, if it goes down from here, it's possible that it. I mean, you
Turns
can
into
see,
one.
you can watch how hard it's trying to break that. I think it's either going down from here, or it's going to shoot up from here, and I think it's gonna make a decision pretty soon here.
All
On
right,
the wrong
keep
side.
watching it here. I'm looking, see if we're missing anything else while we're
Okay.
playing around with that one. Man, excuse me.
I want to think it's just going to go for it. It doesn't seem like it has enough pressure. It's really.
Holy smokes, we missed out on Citigroup.
Yeah, that was a killer double cross, bro. That would have been our wins right there. I would have saw that double cross, entered it, and then we would have won 8 or 9 in a row. Dang it.
Okay, Brent oil.
Let's find something like that.
Brent
That's what
oil. Brent oil.
I'm going to look for double crosses. That's
Brent
all I
oil.
want to care about. What about
Brent
it?
Brent oil. Look at it. It's about the waterfall, dude.
I don't know.
Could.
It looks like it's been going down and turning around a lot. But you want to take this as do you think this is going down?
I mean, it's going down. I don't know if it's going to keep going
It's
down,
kind of
but
jaggedy.
is that it is kind of jaggedy. It's at a line right now. But
Well, from back there, yeah, it's got a little. But I mean, we could take a 2-minute put on it. If it's going to go down, it's going to go down from here. It'd be
let's see. Don't enter yet. Let's see what it does from here at this candle because that retracted a lot.
because look at the stochastic. I mean, it's kind of like totally cracking back up.
Kind of hit that line and might have been rejected. It could go back up from here.
Yeah, we need something. We need the entry. We need the introduction. We need the beginning of an actual double cross that's actually not near a bunch of random resistances and stuff.
Right. Well, let's try to find it then.
Like,
I mean, that last one, dude. Well, we missed on Citigroup, dude. That's been
Yeah.
happening. So
yeah, that I know. We've got. There's possibilities of that happening. Citigroup was like, almost looks like. Yeah, no, it just went up and just flipped and just took off. But the indicators were more smooth when it did that. It wasn't like all jaggedy.
oh, odd USD, dude. Dang,
Okay.
you see it?
Yeah, I see it.
You could take this while it's up a
You
little
want
bit
a
if you
2-minute
want.
from right here?
Just whatever. Yeah, take something.
Well, that was kind of high. or
You kind of
kinda
got
low.
that a little low. Yeah.
But yeah, no, that's good. That's actually real good. I drink watered down Mountain Dew now.
You what?
I drink watered down Mountain Dew now.
Why?
I don't know. It's just what I do. It's What did we
Waiting
start
for
at?
this
Six-
to push down a little bit more.
starting at 6:42, right?
There we go. Yeah.
642.96. I want a waterfall, dude. Look at that waterfall. That started on overbought. Dude, it went down and it just kept going down, dude.
Yeah.
I mean, that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Dude, we would have the 7 wins. We need to find these. This chart did this multiple times. It did it back here, did it up here, did it there. Kind of consolidated all right here, and then Then it did it. Where is this one? Was this odd USD OTC?
Yeah, this one you could be ready to enter in at $1.30.
Okay. On a 1 minute? Yeah.
Well, assuming we win this one, as long as I don't shoot up there. Crap. No.
That's all right. I think we're okay. Got 30 seconds. I'm gonna put my bid back down to 130.
Your trade
Hopefully-
back down to 130.
My trade's at 130, and
As long as it goes back below this line and drops down a little bit, I'll be okay. I'm not comfortable seeing green though. That makes me nervous.
well, this candle's gonna be the we're gonna know right now because this candle opened. It's pushing 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom.
Got
it,
it.
bro. There we go.
This could consolidate here, so let's
watch it and see. Because if it starts dipping, I'm just gonna take it on the next candle. But I don't know. We could be late to this party.
Yeah,
I hope-
yeah. Well,
I hope-
if we're that many candles in, we are late to the party. But
Well, it could ramp down though. I mean, it could keep going. I think the next red candle we should just take it, unless it's like right at the bottom of that consolidation. So I got
it's
130 at $1. It's really not wanting to go down.
and it could be done. Going to go back up from here.
No, but look at the MACD, dude. The MACD is still down.
See, look at this chart, dude. It's done it before. It's had a big waterfall way back there.
Yeah, then it goes
And
up,
then-
and then it goes down again. Goes up, goes down.
Yeah.
So should I enter this? Well, I'm not going to enter this one because
No, this is
it's
consolidating right here.
consolidating. But if we could get to the top of that consolidation,
Take flight. What is that? What's take flight? What was your?
I was thinking about talking about, plane crashes, but then I thought, no, that's
That's
morbid.
Kind of a terrible.
Why don't we talk? Why don't we talk about? Okay, I'm entering back in on this, dude. I
Okay,
think this is going back down.
taking a 1 minute.
Probably. In fact, I might just. Should I just enter it now while it's up here?
No, we always regret that.
Okay. It's at the bottom of a consolidation line.
Well, if it's at the bottom of a consolidation, it could be rejected. That could be why it's inching back up. If there's not a lot of force to get through it, then I would just hold off a minute. No sense in wasting a trade.
Yeah, because it's kind of acting like it wants to go back up. Like if this candle ends green on the top consolidation line, I think we should just flip it.
Meanwhile, I'm gonna go look for some more.
Okay, well I'm gonna flip this if it goes green.
Dang, CAD JPY is kind of doing the same thing, but it's it's got a couple random green candles
Dang
in
it.
it.
Dang it, little sucker! It's actually doing what I thought it was gonna do. I didn't.
What is?
It was going back down. I didn't freaking enter, and now it's going back down.
Okay, well, better safe than sorry.
When it goes up green again, I'm gonna take it. If it ends red or green,
Odd USD.
Yeah. Like I want it to go up right here. I want
It's
it to,
kind of sideways though. It's not stair stepping anymore. It's not like a
yeah,
waterfall.
That candle. All right.
I mean, this is not really going down. I wouldn't consider this down.
I would flip this, right? But I'm not going to. But watch, flip, boom. Yeah, it's going down from here. It's consolidating. Man, why did it open?
didn't
Why did
flip.
it jump down and then go back up? Yeah, it's turning around.
Yeah.
All right. It's
I almost think you could-
59%.
Oh crap. Well, that's out of the question then.
All right, I'm going to look for. We've only got, who knows, about 30 more minutes. I'm going to go look for some double crosses in the right direction because, man, McDonald's double crossed and I just missed it. Dude, was I looking at that? McDonald's was waiting to double cross, and it just I must.
A
have
lot
been
of
watching
currency
something.
pairs are waterfalling. Or have
Yeah. Where's this line?
more so than a lot of the stocks.
All right, can I enter? Well, I don't know. I think I should enter on McDonald's. I think McDonald's is like, I'm gonna give it one more candle because I think it might turn around. It double crossed and went down. Forget that idea. I'm gonna go look for a double cross, like I said this whole time. Like Citigroup. Citigroup had double crossed and just killed it. I'm gonna look
But
for a double
McDonald's
cross.
does look like a decent. Are we on a first or second trade?
Mm,
First, I think, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
on first trade.
Yeah, you could take McDonald's. I think it looks like it's pretty.
I mean, I think it's going down. It's been going down. I think yeah. Let's do it's a first trade. Let's take it down. It's narrow, but that's okay. It's slow enough, and it's been going down for quite a while. And I don't know that it's not at any lines right now. Like it's wide open down there. You could win 4 or 5 trades on this one.
Yeah, let's try it. I mean, it's worth doing. It doesn't look like it's. It shows me no reason to turn around. So good position there.
That one felt good. I was trying to focus on letting it. Okay, so McDonald's. We're in on McDonald's, people. Welcome in. Let us know you're watching. Fascinating World of Binary Options. Got some people on Twitch, some people on YouTube. You can also watch us on, or listen to us on Audible, Spotify, and iTunes every day. Mostly every day. I'd say mostly every day. Okay, so this wicks out at 30 seconds. And then it continues its down push if it does. If it does, then I'm happy. If it's not, then I yell at Todd. Yell and scream at Todd.
Well, see, we even got a decent position, and then it just freaking goes green like this.
We got 15 seconds. It could, I don't think it's going to win, but it could fly down. And if it does, I guess I'm going to re-enter. No, I'm not. Yeah, I am.
I wouldn't re-enter, but yeah, we're not going to win it anyway.
It's got 3 seconds, dude. We're almost there. See, it could be the one red candle.
Yeah, but it's kind of looking like it's going to turn around, though.
I agree with you. All right, I'm off to my double cross. Oh man, dang. All right, Citigroup might do it again. All right, I'm gonna keep Citigroup in my charts. McDonald's is already out of the question. I'm gonna look for charts that are kind of both oversold. Ooh, Pfizer. Been going up for a long time. All it has to do is double cross and it could just tank.
Okay, Citigroup could do it though. Yeah, I mean it's
Citigroup could double cross down right here.
I think it's gonna
3. It's sitting at its own little line there, but it was going down pretty hard. Then it like consolidated, and then it's deciding to break through. Is it going to break through with force? It already has broken through. It already has kind of broken through its line of consolidation.
Yeah, it's going down now. Citigroup is, I think.
But if it doesn't double cross and keep going, then I don't know.
The indicators have crossed, but the moving averages have crossed.
Yeah, moving average and stochastic. So do you want to take the next trade on this? It's the second trade. Do you want to take like a...
I would take a 2-minute from here while this is green. But hold on, let it go up if it's going to go up. And then take a 2 or 3 minute put on it.
I'm waiting for it to get up there.
I don't know that it's going to go any higher.
Well, I'm going to wait.
But it may. I mean, it might. Yeah, I mean, it might be.
Next candle.
We don't know that it's going to. Yeah, we don't know that it isn't going to turn around entirely. So yeah, I mean, it might as well wait for that next candle, because if it's going to go up, we don't want to take a trade.
I'm saying because it's at the bottom of it. Like right here, it'd be safe, but it's at the bottom.
Well, but we don't know that it isn't turning around because it's at a line.
Yeah, it didn't double cross at all. It flattened out. The MACD is actually going up.
And the stochastic is cricked up. Yeah.
Yeah. So I didn't. Yeah.
So I don't know that this is going to go back down.
It's not my jam, dude. That's not my jam.
Not mine either.
If it had double crossed, then I was in. I was totally in. I was going to take it down, but I don't.
No, it's good that you waited. Usually you don't. I'm impressed with your lack of impulsivism today. On that trade, anyway.
Yeah. Well, I'm starting to employ my own thought process, and if these aren't actual double crosses that are making me feel good, or you're not saying,
that's good. That's good, dude.
Then I'm out. So, gold. Oh crap! Gold is 7 minutes, 7 seconds. Look at gold. It could double cross. I might take this one if it does. Yeah, I don't know. That might have won, but I didn't. I didn't get your confirmation. But
well, I mean, it opened. If this shoots up, then you could take a. I don't know though. It's kind of bouncing around a lot.
Yeah, it double crossed, but
This has a pattern of being notorious for 2 reds, 2 greens.
Yeah, this one looked a little crazy. That's why I wanted you to look at it. It wasn't like a real smooth
I don't know. This
double
is
cross.
not gonna just drop. I don't think.
Okay, I'm gonna go back. Oh, crap. Okay, Amazon. Go look at Amazon, dude. Amazon is at a line, but it's been trying to break this line, and it might double cross right now in the next 20 seconds. If it does, I think we could take. Oh crap! If it shoots open, I think we should. I'm gonna take it.
Okay, that's a
This
big
is-
candle though. So
Yeah, but
yeah, you could take it. I mean, if
if it
it shoots open,
if it shoots open, I'm in, because it's 3. Is it gonna shoot open?
it's a high position. Kind of shot open, you got a higher position, but
That's okay.
I think
but
I think we'll win it. I
this
mean,
one-
it's got a lot of pressure. So
the position of this one is good. It's been going up. It's with the trend. It's a bid in. It's a trade in the direction of the trend. It shot open. The stochastic and MACD are up. I mean, the only thing is it was kind of settle
no,
down, man.
don't
settle
do
down.
that.
Settle down. It's okay. It can do this. I was gonna say the only issue with this one is it's kind of it was kind of just shooting over a line that it's been kind of hitting, but I think it's gonna jump above that.
Mm,
I think
hope
we got
so.
13 seconds.
yeah, we do.
These double cross trades can really put you on edge, dude. 5 seconds. Come on. There we go.
Oh yeah. Did we win it? We won it.
We won it, baby. I'm
We
telling
won
you,
it.
dude.
Yeah.
Yeah, baby.
Oh,
I'm gonna have to dance that one. Here we go. Have crossings. Euro NZD up 1 minute. 9 wins in a row for me. Crossings. Hey, congrats on that, dude. Absolutely, man.
Good job, dude. Good job. Good job.
How'd you get that? Are those all Euro NZD?
Our record is 11. We had 11 consecutive wins once.
Is Amazon going to waterfall from here up? I mean, I don't think
Waterfall
so. but
up? You mean like stair step?
I don't think
No,
so.
I don't think so.
I don't think so. I'm gonna go back to my double cross fishing.
Where,
fishing for double cross. Ooh, Tesla. Oh crap, Tesla, you're at 60%. I hate you. Actually, I love Tesla. Amazon.
What Euro NZD a 1 minute up?
That
Euro,
might- that-
oh, Euro NZD is double crossing, bro. At this moment, it's your MACD cross.
Okay, 30 seconds. Yeah. Okay, I'm in on that one.
We're on a first trade, so I would just take it.
Well, I'm gonna wait till it. I'm gonna wait till it goes down. I'm gonna wait till the end of the candle, right?
Yeah, it's gonna push open in this candle if it keeps going though. But yeah,
But that's okay. I want it to wait. I want it to just do this, and I want it to
right.
open.
No, I got you.
When it goes too big in the middle of the candle, you don't win. So this is
Counter
if it
attraction
opens-
anyway. Last minute.
Okay,
This
hold
could
on.
go up. So
Well, I'm gonna wait and see if it crosses. There, it crossed big time, dude. It's kind of gutsy, but it did cross. It's in the direction of the trend. The stochastic is cracking down. That opened up. The only thing I think about this one is maybe it opened up because it had been, going down for a while already in that previous candle. So it could be like a false double cross.
no,
It wasn't a false
it's
double
pushing
cross.
down. I mean, it is pushing down against that line. So it could just break through it right now. Anytime now. No, not that way. The other way.
We got, that's kind of stalled right there.
I don't like this one bit.
80%.
Well,
We're going
that
to-
was a fail. If I've ever seen a fail, that was one.
Yeah. We'll see. That was pretty good, though. I mean, it was a good try. Can't win them all.
The other guy did. The guy that just commented did.
Apparently, we should be trading with him. We should have him tell us what to do.
Yeah.
I'm going to look for double crosses again. Huh.
Euro NZD is kind of a jank chart in general, though.
Well, that's probably true. Oh, I didn't look at it, but probably. I mean, it's in a good position. Oh man, dude. What about McDonald's, dude? I think McDonald's is good. In fact, in 10 seconds, no. In 10 seconds, I'm going to watch it because it's going to open up and it might double cross and head down.
It looks like it did, and then just kind of wound together. And
yeah, it's hit a line again, and it's probably going up from here. I don't know though.
What's the next trade? $3.
Yeah, $3.
How many wins do we have?
We have 3. Well, maybe. Hold on, I might have missed one.
I think I missed one,
we
but I
have
think
three. We have 3 trades. Three trade wins. But I don't see anything. Well, Amazon, dude. Amazon isn't it? Okay, Amazon, dude, we should take the next one on Amazon. 20 seconds in, it double crossed, it went through the white line. I mean, it's got a line right here.
It kind of goes back and forth on this line right here.
Yeah, but now the white line it's broken through the white line and it's going under. Let's take it. I didn't get any confirmation for it from you, so I just took it.
I wasn't looking at you.
Are you kidding?
I was looking at the screen, our screen. I wasn't looking at the.
It's moving slowly, and I think unless it keeps with its old pattern.
That's what I'm wondering about. That's the only thing that scares me about this is the old pattern.
But look at the
even if it pushes down this one.
But the pattern is different because the pattern has changed because the white line has now been tangled up. And the blue and the yellow are getting ready to cross through it. And so this could actually fall for like 10 candles.
Yeah.
It doesn't have much support underneath it. I mean, it has, you see what I mean? When it was doing that, it was kind of like they were converging. So I think we should enter, I'm going to put 130. Am I on a first trade? Yeah, I'm on a second trade. I'll put 130 back in here. And I think we should
go ahead and, I mean, it's broke through. I would enter the next candle. This could go down a while. We don't know.
Well, yeah, I think the position of it says it's going to. That's a win, 4th win.
Yeah, this could just be a massive drop. I don't know.
It could be what we're waiting for. This kind of feels like the mother lode.
The mother lode, man.
Because of the position of the stochastic MACD all together. They cross down together. I mean, the MACD is not like in a perfect position, but there's not much. There's a big form of resistance down there, like 3 or 4 candles from this one. I'm going to enter again if this wins. If this wins. If this wins.
If it
Hold your
wins.
breath. I mean, that's a big candle, but then
don't
again.
hold too hard because
I think this is going to go
it's
through.
looking pretty good.
Okay. Are we going to get a bounce on this one?
Not much one. I think it's going to go down, but it's just going to shoot down.
Okay, that was a win. Let's happy dance that. So first,
was that 5 wins? Or was that 4?
Yeah, first flight. 1903 was the first flight by the Wright brothers, and that's from where we grew up, dude, in Dayton. And 1903, dude, 1903. Can you believe that? What is this doing, man? Come on, go down. Come on.
Was that 5 wins or?
That is 5 wins, and this will be, if it doesn't change, this is going to be a loss.
This is going to be a.
Oh, come on. Yeah, there you go. Go down. Come on, come on, baby. We lost that one.
You don't say.
Sorry if you were sleeping and you just woke up to that obnoxious noise. I think we should just re-enter on this next candle.
$3.
Oh yeah, $3. Thank you. I think we should just re-enter on this next candle if it's any type of red, because it's underneath, it's in the direction, it's spread apart. The only indicator that's screwballing around is stochastic, but stochastic could totally turn. Unless this one shows a lot of green pressure, I think we should just go for it. It wanted to go back up there. It's in a line.
I don't know, man. It seems like it's hitting this line. Like it broke below, then maybe now it's just sort of petering out.
All right,
I don't know.
But it's not petering. Let's take it. Look at all the indicators, dude.
Yeah. Okay.
I mean, we got nothing else. I'm not saying just,
Yeah, you're right. That could have just been the random green doji. All right, go ahead.
That sucks. Okay. If you're asleep right now, waka waka waka, wake up. We're gonna win a bid. We're gonna
win a what?
We're gonna win a trade.
We don't take bids. We're not in an auction.
We're gonna win a trade. Okay, we're at a loss right now.
We win trades. This is going to be a win, bro. This is going to be a win.
We're at 10 minutes. Okay, I'm
I
gonna
feel
reset
it.
I'm gonna
I feel
reset
it in my bones, man. This is going to be a
1.3. How come we don't get this kind of a line when we first start? We just basically I think the next time I start trading with you, I'm gonna look for this right here. I'm gonna start looking for double crosses in the trend direction, that have potential, that aren't on charts, that have all kinds of.
Okay, reset your trade. Make sure you're at $1.30.
I'm at $1.30 right now. $1.30.
You got the decimal in there? So
1.3. No, I don't. It says it's 1,300.
Yeah.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. Bring it down. There we go. Open it up. All right, folks. We're at our halfway point, as Bon Jovi would say.
Yep. Come on, man. Come on.
Come on, man. Come on, man. I'm gonna check my email while this goes down. 30 seconds.
It's gonna drop, bro. It's gonna drop. It is gonna drop like I got nothing. Well, I got something, but it's inappropriate.
Oh my gosh, dude! Look at that.
No, dude. Come on, man.
Come on, man. Are you serious?
It could still go down. We could still win this.
Oh yeah. 5, 4.
We could still win it.
5, 4, 3, 2. Oh,
never mind. We're not going to.
All right. It's at a $3. Well, let's see what we think is going to happen. Where's that? It's still kind of opened up, but I think it might be turning around. But let's see what happens this next candle. I think we should keep watching this one. Oh yeah, I think we should re-enter, dude. Let's see, you're 20.
Yeah, it may be going to.
I don't know. 16. Yeah, we should just re-enter this one. This is down. It's not consolidating. It's second trade, 8, 7, 6, 5. I think it's going down to that big line. $3. There we go. Look at that one. It's got so much down pressure. Yeah, I think that might win. If you're just sleeping, listening to our podcast, I think we should do a couple podcast trading Here's what I think we should do. Not do like full out ASMR podcast, but I think we should do a binary options
Whispered edition.
Dude, we could do that. That would be so creepy and so annoying. Okay, so we're going back to 130 on this next one. 1.30. Okay, I think this is going to be a win, so I wrote it down. I'm going to re-enter. It's at a massive line, but I'm still going to re-enter because I think it's going down.
You got $1.30 on there?
Yeah. Actually, I think you think I should enter a 2-minute here? Well, never mind. Crap. Okay,
no, I mean,
it's at a big line.
If it's going to go, it's going to go. But it could also, it's been doing 2 and then kind of dodging
we'll just
out.
see what happens. It does. So that was a win. Let's do happy dance. We could do like a. No. Okay, so it's been stepping and then retracting. But it's moving slowly enough. This is how I used to win like 36 bids in a row when I was doing pushing, because I would just wait. I would just keep. I wouldn't.
36 what in a row?
36 trades in a row. I'd win like 36 trades in a row. So we don't enter on this green candle. Well, if this went, no, I'm gonna put 130. Assume
I
we're
like
gonna win
this to
this.
just drop in the next 5 seconds, but it ain't going to. So we're gonna lose
so
this.
It's gonna be a loss. Okay.
It might be turning around though.
Yeah, I think, but it hit a massive line. Like this is a massive line. So if it was gonna turn around, it's gonna turn around now. See this line right here? Right. I didn't draw it for you here. I'll just draw it. See the top of that right there?
Yeah. Oh yeah. That's pretty
So-
significant. So,
I mean, we could start taking calls from here if you want.
all right, you got $3 on there.
$3. I don't know if it's going to keep going up, but it's cricking. I mean, and it hit a massive line. Do you want to take a call on this and chance going up with it?
You want to take
Or-
like 2 or 3 minutes?
No. You think it's going to consolidate here? Look at that candle. Look how strong it is. Think it's
Kinda
going to
got some
consolidate or
strength
just
to it,
go
but-
up? Huh?
I don't know. It's got some strength to it. You could take you could almost take a call on this because it looks like it's going to have another one. But I don't know. I would be okay. I would. Well, I don't know. I would. Hold off or do it. Either way, you're good. We'll live with the consequences. Whatever happens, happens.
You're hilarious, dude.
I say that.
I'm interpreting
So-
your feelings right
I
now.
say that so whatever-ish because I feel like it's still going to go up. But
It is going to go up. That's what I think.
whether or not it's going to get there quickly, I don't know. It could be consolidating, and this could be the top of the line. In which case, we're screwed. But all it's got to do is go up a little bit, and we're okay.
I think it's going up because the stochastic's going up. It hit that line. I don't know. This was a ballsy
There we
trade.
go.
but
There we go.
this
It's
is
just
kind of
got to go up a
this
little
is kind
bit.
of a ballsy trade. Dang it.
Yeah, but it keeps flipping
Keeps-
up
it
above
keeps
there.
pushing up.
As long as
Yeah,
it
that's what I
pushes
think.
up a little
There it's
bit,
in the
then we're
money now.
okay.
There it's in the money. It's out.
Come on, go up a little bit more.
It's
Go up
in.
a little bit more.
It's out. It's in. It's out. It's in. I think it's going to go in for sure.
There we go.
3,
Come
2. Okay, come on.
There we go. We won it. We won it, bro. We won it.
Sorry if you were sleeping
Yeah.
watching our podcast. I just woke you up with that big home.
And you woke them up right before they crashed into the rear end of the car in front of them as they're driving.
Oh man,
Is that
I
8
nearly
wins?
missed today's session. I was having a Zoom Forex training. Hey, Abraham. I'm just gonna call you Abraham.
Just call him Wi-Fi. Just call him Wi-Fi.
Oh, is that Wi-Fi? Okay.
Yeah.
And then so this crossing dude says my record was yesterday 23. Oh, dude, you're killing it. Great job. Well, just keep
How do you
winning.
get 23 wins in a row? I'm just
bro, I
curious.
think we should take a call on this. I think we should
What-
just
on
call
what-
this up.
oh,
On,
this next-
on Amazon, yeah.
Okay. All right. Yeah, I mean, I'm good with it. If you want to.
Yeah, I think it's just stepping up. It's getting ready to double cross. Even if we lose this, I think this is just going up.
I don't
from
think we're
here.
going to lose it, bro. I think it's just going to keep going up.
Right, I think it is.
I
too.
say that in good faith here, because
Well, I mean, it's
because
why?
I think it's going up, but
we're on
kind of
eight-
it's kind
we're
of
on-
getting narrower, but it's going up. So
Yeah, but it's also
it
about
could
ready to
also
double
gain
cross.
steam here.
It's about ready to double cross, dude.
Yeah, it
it's-
is.
It's coming out. It's coming out of oversold, and it's going to double cross up. Crossing. Oh crap! That's not good. That's not good. That's real bad. That's real bad right there. Look
Could
at
actually
that.
take a couple of steps down here.
Oh crap! Well then I'm gonna go look for. Well, I thought it was gonna double cross. Is it gonna consolidate or is it gonna go down from here? I don't know.
It's going to try to
think
hit
it's just
that
gonna
line
touch
again.
that line
See,
and
it
then-
did hit that line.
Dang it! I don't know what I'm gonna hold now.
I don't know. That was looking kind of narrower, I want to say, but
I'm gonna go look for a double cross. I still like Amazon. I'm gonna watch it, but I'm gonna go look for double cross. Oh,
Could be breaking this line, bro.
okay. Do you want to? Well, okay. I got to be on a second trade. It's $3. I don't know if I believe it. You know what I mean?
Well, it shot down to that line, and then it could be just going to step back up and do the whole thing again.
Yeah, I don't know what to think here. What would you do here in 20 seconds if you had to just guess from this line?
I would do nothing. I would
Oh,
hold
right.
hold
you're
on to
smart.
my trades.
It's getting.
I would go look for.
Go look for
Oh
double
my
crosses.
gosh! Look what we missed out on Apple.
What?
Look at what we missed.
Oh.
That would have been a serious mother load, right?
Oh,
there.
dude, that was a mother. Well, we were kind of doing that on Amazon, but it was not as good. That's a double cross up. So what's going to happen? I'm not going to trust Apple now, but that's what I'm going to look for, dude. That's kind of what we did on Amazon. It was up above the white line. Look at the position of that. It's the same thing. It was up above the white line, bouncing, and then it crossed over, double crossed, went straight through the white line and kept going. We could have anticipated that, but we didn't. But we did. We're at 8 wins right now, so I feel like we had a pretty good run on that one.
Yeah,
It was a little bit choppy, but it was still a good run.
Intel is.
Okay,
I
that's
hear the timer.
That's 75 minutes, so we got the 15-minute warning now. Or I still got 15 minutes or so.
Never mind on Intel.
Yeah, Amazon is just sitting down there trying. Is Apple going to go through the white line and go up from here, though? What do you think about that? I mean, it's kind of...
It's gonna go. I don't know. What is it gonna do?
Okay, look at Amazon, dude. Amazon is trying to get below the line, and it almost is. I'm almost thinking that it's getting close to...
Think it's gonna break that line finally?
I don't know. It seems like it wants to. I just don't know that it actually is going to. You know.
Has no one been watching us on Facebook at all today?
I don't think so. Okay, so I'm gonna flip through these charts.
It still can't break that dang line.
Which one?
It's a strong line right there.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
It's coming close. It's trying. But as soon as it does, we're on a second trade, right?
Yeah, if it does, then we're good.
And look where it's at right now. Do you consider that being broken?
Amazon? Yeah, I mean, is it going to retract? You want to just take a put? Like, wait till it opens up and see if it doesn't jump up and take a put? Yeah, I mean, I think it's going down probably, dude. Yeah, and the indicators are down. I'll wait till it opens and make sure it doesn't shoot up. I think yeah, I mean, it's
retracting a little bit, not much.
Yeah, I don't know, man. Do you want me to take a put now that it's up here?
From like way up here?
Well, yeah, because it's still...
Yeah, I thought about it. It's gutsy.
It's
you
gutsy,
could.
Yeah, because
it's real gutsy, but I mean, it might pay off. I don't know. It's a big risk, but it could pay off.
Let's just wait, because now, I mean, the MACD and the stochastic are kind of up. That would have been a good place to take it, but I mean that's assuming it's going to step down.
You think it is?
I don't know. It's just a guess. I'd rather guess on
something that you're sure of.
Yeah, I'd rather guess on NZD JPY, like that it's going down to the white line. Look at it. It double crossed. It's heading down. It's that's a more sure bid to me.
GBP JPY?
No, NZD JPY. I'm not going to take
NZD
it.
JPY. NZD.
It still has like a version of up and down, up and down, up and down. I'm not sure of, but I mean, at least it's crossing down and moving down. Like, or we could wait till it gets to the white line and take a 3-minute call on it.
Well, doing it at the white line. Yeah, we should have taken it before this candle
Well,
got
I
to where
got to it a
is.
little late, but it was going to double cross. I got to it a little late, so I didn't want to just.
I mean, of
rush
course,
into
it's
it.
back up to that point now. So
So I
Who
don't know.
knows?
Yeah, this could be a false double cross because this candle is not the double cross. It was the previous candle. It had already crossed, so
right.
it would have won a downward double cross. But now it might, dude. It might go through the white line and keep going. So I think I should keep watching that one. 'Cause that
possible, but this one,
this
this
been
one's got a
jumping.
history of just bouncing
Turning
up
around.
and down.
Yeah, but if it's narrowing and the position, no, the position's okay.
I wouldn't enter this.
I'm not gonna enter this. No, I want to see if it's gonna actually go down because right now it's
It's too
kind of
close
a-
to the line.
at a point of decision.
Oh
right
yeah,
now.
did you see that?
Mm-hmm. Like every time it gets down here, it goes back up. So, but if this goes down from here, you keep your eyes on that one. I'm gonna go see if there's another double crosser happening. Oh yeah, dude. Oh freak yeah.
Almost wonder if this is going to keep going. If we could just call it when it hits, when it touches through that line.
No, let's look at Euro USD. You got 30 seconds. Euro USD. Euro USD is on a double cross. Euro USD is.
This one looks. Usually, when there's 3 candles like that, there's generally a 4th.
Look at Euro USD. Can I take it? A 1 minute
Yeah.
double cross down. If it opens,
Yeah, this one looks pretty safe.
I'm ready. I don't know. I think it's going to, but it might not.
No, I think this is going to go down. I think it is. I think it
The
wants
double
to.
cross wasn't super strong. I should have not taken that. But anyway, it's still.
But
I
if,
think
if
it's
nothing
still-
else, you got a good position if it's
I've
going
got-
to.
it's like almost like an early double cross is what I got on it.
Yeah, because it's starting to cross now.
Right.
You got a real good position if it's going to go down.
If this one's gonna go down, the position of the MACD and the stochastic on this one is waterfall ready. So I think.
Oh yeah, it sure is.
It's like that's why I was looking for. That's why I stopped on this one. I think we should take another one on this one.
Let's set it to
If
130
it
or
wins,
whatever.
130, 20 seconds. If this wins, it's possible that we lose the next one. But I mean, it's waterfall ready, bro. This one could waterfall. It's both of those are like high position, strong downward movement. 3, 2, 1. Come on now.
Yeah, I think we could win another one here. So
9. We're about to clear out a level. We're here on a 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, trying to live the dream, trying to win at living the dream at binary options. I wonder how this crossing dude is getting 23 wins, 9 wins in a row. What are you using, crossing? Welcome to the
I would
show.
like to see a picture of those wins, to be honest with you.
Yeah, I would like to see it. Screenshot it and send it to our Telegram. Fascinating binary options Telegram. Here, I'm going to enter again. I mean, if this wins, clearly. 4, 3, 2, 1. I won that one. There we go. It's narrowing, but I still think that like it's moving slow enough to where I think it could win. The
Yeah.
pressure's still down. I want to believe that's going to win. This is a 10th win. How do you feel about today's session so far, dude? Hold on. Hold on. I'm winning. Five.
This will,
6,
if this
7, 8,
wins,
9,
it will be
10.
the 11th win.
Oh, the 11th one. Yeah, we're on 10 now. Yeah, unfortunately, this one looks tough. I mean, it could wick out and go back down. But that was a decent little, double win on a double cross.
Mhm.
Not so sure that. Yeah, okay. So I'm going to have to switch the bid to $3.
The what to $3?
The trade to $3. Unless this wins. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. You got it. 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 All right. So what should we do now? Watch this? Should we watch this or is this just going to go back up? Or is it gonna? I'm not even gonna worry about that. I'm gonna go look
Well,
for
I
one
don't
that's.
know, but
I'm going to look for one that's
the
actually
way
moving.
it's swinging around, dude, it looks like it's just gonna go back up, but I don't know.
Oh, crap! Forget that. Euro RUB 80%. It's getting ready to have a massive double cross from the right position in the right direction, dude. I think I'm
Euro
just
RUB.
Euro RUB. I think I'll just call this candle regardless.
I can't find it. Oh, there it is.
Euro RUB 30 seconds. So we got time. In fact, I should just take a 1 minute from down here, dude. Well, no, because I want to make sure it actually does double cross. It could
Yeah, 'cause
fake.
this could
Now
turn
it's
red
faking.
here.
Now it's faking. Now it's faking. Oh, now it's faking big time. But it looks like it's going up. Oh man, I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know.
This
There's some
chart's kinda
volatility
wackadoo.
here.
This
Yeah.
chart's wackadoo.
Abort.
I'm aborting this one. Like I almost think you could put this one, boom, because of the way it just did that.
Yeah.
Like it just faked. It completely didn't double cross. Like that's kind of what I was doing earlier. Is I was like reversing the double cross. Like if it looked like it was going to cross and then it didn't, I would just take the opposite bid. Let's see
The
if
opposite
I would've won
what?
that. The opposite trade. Oh, I would have won that one big time too.
Yeah.
Crap. Dang it. Maybe we should try that, dude. That's kind of gutsy, but
Sometimes we don't have time to talk about it.
right. We'd have to know. Oh, okay. NZD USD.
Let's see.
Not strong enough. It might double cross. No, that's not strong enough. Never mind. It's a waste
What?
of time.
NZD.
Yeah, it's not strong enough. I'm gonna go look for another double cross. On a second trade. Oh, Euro GBP. It kind of already double crossed, and it's consolidating, but it might go up to the line.
Yeah.
But it's so much consolidation going on there that can't trust that one.
Euro CHF though, it's
Oh yeah. You want to take
crossing
that one?
through, but I mean,
I say we take the down trade on this. If it opens, if it doesn't, we take a call.
it's already open.
Right. I mean on this next candle. Like if this next candle continues to open,
Yeah, it's at the white line, but the white line's kind of useless.
kind of useless. Yeah.
So, but this has a history of two reds and then just flipping.
Right. I think we could call this if this doesn't open wide open. I'm gonna let it open and then I'm gonna call it, or I'm gonna put it if it opens big. But if it doesn't, I'm gonna call it. Oh crap! I'm not doing anything on this. What happened? You got out of here.
I don't know. Something happened. I heard.
I didn't do anything because that wicked out really hard, and I would have had a bad position. So I'm gonna keep looking.
Yeah,
I might
Wi-Fi.
practice that.
Thank you for that comment. We agree. Yeah, we try to be as raw as possible and really see
Mischiefs,
everything
I
that's
like 'em.
happening. So
Mischiefs
So-
out there. Ooh, double
Yeah,
cross on Euro
you
JPY.
won't-
Oh crap! I'm in on a put on Euro JPY if it actual crosses. If it doesn't, Euro JPY,
Okay.
20 seconds. It's if it opens up, it's at a line.
is it
kinda, but
$3
it's-
or what is it?
Yeah, it's $3. All right, I'm gonna watch this. If this opens up, I'm gonna put it. If it doesn't, I'm gonna call it because I think it's gonna bounce.
But
It's kind of a line, but if it opens,
it's narrow. But
I had to think straight, but that it did cross though. So let's see if
Cross.
it works. It
We'll
crossed,
see,
but it's
yeah.
at a line. So this would be an
Right.
11th win. You know what? I might have broken a rule of the double cross.
what's that?
It's at a line.
Yeah, that's what I told you. I was like, this is at a line, and that was a real crappy cross. But that's okay.
Well, I mean, at the first glance, it was a pretty good cross, but it was at a line. I almost think that. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna watch this lose, and then I'm gonna go. I mean, that'd be a miracle if this one won. Actually,
It's not going to win
why are you saying that, dude?
because
over
it's
yet.
got 6
5
seconds.
seconds. Look at it. 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I lost. Dang it.
Yeah. Who didn't see that coming?
All right. I'm gonna just go look for charts. We're getting
What's
to
next
the end
trade?
of our 680. I think that was at a line. I think you should have called me off that one.
I tried to. I said it's at a line.
You should say stop. It's at a line. Hey Dorcas, this is at a line.
Look at GBP JPY real quick.
Mischiefs. What are you thinking about?
You see GBP JPY? You see that?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, okay. The only reason I'm telling you is not for a trade, but you think that next candle is just gonna like shoot up green? Think this is gonna be like the flip flop here?
Maybe.
Well, it's kind of already wicking out. So
If it would have been big, yeah, but
yeah, it was big for a minute there, as you can see.
right. It's by the time you get over there and look at it, it's like crap. We're on a third trade, so we need to find a good.
You find
I'd
something
like to
good,
find-
yeah.
This has been a kind of a tough session.
Yeah, a little bit.
Not like terrible, but not like the
Holy
best.
crap, though.
We missed a few really good ones.
Oh,
though.
JPY. Like why do we always miss these big like? Okay, is all JPY still going down?
I don't know. It doesn't look like it's got any real resistance underneath it for forever, or for.
Turn that dang timer
Right.
off. We only got 3 more wins to go. 2 more,
Oh, we
actually.
got
2 more.
Silly.
I ain't stopping on a
JPY
loss
is
here.
just. All JPY is just kind of scary, but you can keep watching it.
Well, is it at a line? Is that why it's kind of
No,
petering
it's not.
out there?
I drew the line. It's just at its own line. It's at its own little stopping point down there. Huh. Okay, Apple is getting ready to double cross up in 15 seconds. I'm not sure I trust it because it's in a downtrend. It's against the trend,
Yeah.
but it is getting ready to cross. But I think the double cross has to follow some specific rules. You can't be out of line and you can't be against the trend unless it's
that one
going-
wasn't moving very hard. There wasn't a
that
lot
one
of
didn't
pressure
double
there either.
cross. It didn't do it.
But
it
how
was
did
too
we miss that
sideways.
friggin' waterfall? Look at that.
I know.
I'm
dude.
seeing some that we just totally missed.
We've been all over Apple tonight, so I don't know how we missed it. Okay, odd JPY might be. I just don't know. That one scares me. I want to find
It's
something that's a little more-
consolidating.
Yeah, I want to find something that's not consolidating.
You and me both.
I like how Wi-Fi called them people mischiefs.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, that's a nice double cross. I don't know. That's a nice one. But,
Go look at gold real quick.
I was just on gold. That's what I was just saying. It looked like a nice double cross.
It looks like it's kind of rounding
at a
out.
line.
That candle was.
It's at a line and it broke above that line from back there, just a little ways back.
Mm-hmm.
And it's been going up. You want to. This is a third trade, I think.
Well, it's kind of
Um,
rounding out and going to go back down, but now it's doing
Just
something
double
different than what I
cross.
thought.
I think it's going up, dude. But it's got
Might
wicks
actually
on
be
it,
going
so
up. Yeah.
it's got wicks, but like it could be going up for a lot of candles here. It's kind of at the bottom of that last bottom. It's at the.
Yeah.
I'd be nervous about this
It's
one.
too
'cause
risky for.
It's kind of at the bottom of
where-
that consolidation point right there. it's I'm not saying that it won't go up from here, but I just don't know that it won't throw a red candle or two on its way up.
We can't have that crap.
We kind of missed the double cross on it. Oh, odd CHF just tanked. And then it stopped.
Why is it that every time I find something, it's out of line?
I think it's just the way we look.
Okay. Microsoft is about to double cross. Well, it kind of already did. But having said that, it still may be going up a candle or two. I'm not sure.
It's way under the trend. Let's look. I don't trust that one.
Yeah, I don't know. If you were to call it, I mean, don't do it. But if you were to theoretically call this right now, I bet it's going to go up from here.
Microsoft?
Yeah. Like while that red candle was dipped halfway through that green candle.
Mm-hmm. I could wait till it dips down and you just think this next candle is going to be green?
I mean, it's slowly moving back up that way. I know that if you would have called it like while it was way down there, we'd have had a better position, but I don't know that I trust it now. I don't know that I trust it in general. It may still be headed back down.
Mm-hmm. It's kind of it's kind of in a downtrend. Be narrow, but I mean, you might be right. We need 2 more wins. We're on a 3rd trade.
We can't leave it like that. We got to get these 2 wins.
We got, that's USD CAD is going down, but it's just looking like a crazy chart. I can't get in on something like that. NZD-USD, go look at that one because it's kind of falling. It's kind of at the end. It might be at the end of its falling. It hasn't fallen super far, but it's falling. It's kind of opening up. Stochastic is kind of like cricking. I want to think it kind of looks like it's falling, but what do you think? Is that one not really? Positionally, the indicators are not.
I don't trust
super strong. You don't trust it?
I mean, not with a candle that's that big in there. No.
Lots of crazy charts, dude. We're getting into the wrong time to be trading. In my time, 4:45 on a Friday.
And tell us what happens at that time.
Things start going sideways. Things start going crazy. I don't know. Some of these are going fine.
Okay, odd USD. Might have just missed that. It's actually about at a line anyway, but it's kind of just springing up there.
Yeah, it's kind of going up. You think it's going to keep going?
Likely. It's at a line though, isn't it?
I mean, it's kind of it's kind of a small line. It's had some pretty good up pressure. You think it's going up from here?
No, never mind. Not anymore. I did, but now I don't.
I mean, do you think in general, like it's going up, like in 3 minutes? Do you think we should be taking like a 2 or 3 minute call?
No, definitely not that because it's
been kind of up and down. I think
been
odd
kind of up and down.
NZD.
And if anything,
I
it's going
think
to probably fall.
I think odd NZD is actually going to go up for a while. We could probably win a 2 or 3 minute call on odd NZD. I could just wait for one of these red candles. Look at the pattern. Red, green, 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 red, red, green, green, red, green, green, red, green, green. Like I almost think if you called
It's also
like
going
a
to probably
3 minute
dip.
call,
I bet you it's probably going to get like 2 red candles here.
indicators are
Cricking down.
Indicators are cricking, yeah. So the indicators are hooking actually.
So it could go up for a little bit. You're right. What I'm wondering about is it going to be 2 minutes up there, and then
odd
going to be on one of these.
Yeah, I get that one because the indicators just kind of. You'd have to wait till it got low and just take a 2 or 3 minute call because it is got a lot of up
And even
pressure
at
and
that,
it finally broke out of all of its thing. But go look at odd CHF.
I'm already looking at it.
It's going to double cross possibly coming up in the next candle or two. It's been going down. It hit like here and then it started going back up. Maybe it's a fake double cross. Dude, odd NZD is going up. It is broken away from.
No, go look at CAD JPY. You got about 20 seconds. CAD JPY, dude. It's perfect for a call, probably.
You think? You want a 2 minute?
No, I don't think I'd take a 2.
You want me to take it right now while it's dipping? Yeah, I mean, look at the stochastic on that one.
Yeah, the stochastic's cricking down. I mean,
but I mean, I could take a call on it while it's
well,
low.
don't do it now because it's already.
Look, it's low. I'm saying right here.
It is, but they're kind of indicators.
Yeah, and it has been going up. CAD JPY.
So yeah, abort that. Just don't do it. Bad idea.
Okay. Odd CHF in 30 seconds is going to double cross towards the white line. Odd CHF is possibly a double cross on the next candle.
Towards the white line. And kind of crazy, but you got 2 green candles, then 2 small reds.
I mean, it'd have to be a really strong up. It'd have to be a really strong push up. I'm going to look at it and see. It's a third trade. Is that strong enough to take it here on this dip?
Yeah, take it.
And
I'd
then
go up.
NZD USD.
Gonna go up anyway.
Okay, well, I do too. I mean, it crossed up.
I mean, that looks like it's going to go up from here. It looks like it's going to go up. I don't know. I could be wrong. So far, I'm wrong.
NZD USD is heading up, says Wi-Fi. NZD USD is kind of looks like this one that we're looking at almost right now. It's going towards the white line. It's about there.
Come on, turn green, turn green, turn green. Turn green. Come on.
Well, it did double cross up, and I think it is going to turn green.
Yeah, I think it's going to turn green, bro. I think it's going to go in the money, turn green.
I think it's going to go in the money. I think it's going to, well, it's 16 seconds. We waited. So if this next candle opens up, we got 10 seconds for it to go green here. Boom. Let's see. It opens and then shoots up like it wants to. There you go. There you go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Crap.
1530.
How much the next one?
The next trade is 1530. NZD USD bounced off that white line. Dang it. Dang it, dude. I don't know. Was that... All right, go to Apple. Oh, yeah, look at Apple. It's going to double cross, dude. Do you think we should just take a 2 minute from here? Look at it. It hit the white line. It's consolidated for like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 candles. It's not going to double cross yet. It looks like it wants to. Now it's retracting.
Yeah, I don't know.
I kind of feel like
weird
it's going
looking
down.
Yeah, but that's a janky look position.
Yeah. Well, and also the MACD and stochastic are not both overbought. They're one of them's like halfway in the middle. I was thinking that was going to double cross. All right, this is a fourth trade. Is that right?
Yep.
Yeah. All right. Well, that's good. We're fine, dude. Fourth trade. All right. Let's make this fourth trade win so we can win and get this going. Let's find one that's good. I haven't found a lot of. I'm gonna wait and see what's good. What is good?
I don't know which way is
I'll
Johnson and Johnson about to go.
Is this some kind of
All right,
trick
find
question?
something good. I gotta go pee real quick. I'll be right back. Give me 2 seconds.
Is that
Find something
is
good.
that some kind of trick question? You
Just
ask me
don't take
something
anything
random?
without me, but I'll be right back.
Okay. Unless I see something that's like amazing, and then you're like peeing for 20 minutes, and I just decide this is it. We just win it. Come back and you go, wow. How did you win that? How did you win that? How did you win that while I was taking a pee? That's what he would say. CAD CHF. That looks pretty good. I'm going to look at that one. That one. Through 3 big red candles. It's kind of in the middle. I'm not sure. I don't trust that one. I need something where the indicators are all coming out of the same spot. That's when it really feels like it works. Right now, I don't feel that on this one. See, like this one right here would have been decent. Cross, win. Euro CHF. We're 15 minutes behind our scheduled time to be off the live stream, but I guess we can just keep going. Who knows? Actually, for the sake of our, let's see, I guess I can fix that later. Oh man, look at that. Oh man. What is that? Euro JPY. It's going up towards the white line. It's going up. That looks like a good one. I really do like that one, actually. I'm gonna pretend I take that one on a call, Euro JPY on a call. If it opens up, I just don't know if it's gonna open up or not. It isn't a downtrend. It might be a false open, and if it is a false open, that's a strong open. I would have taken that one on a call because of the way it opened.
Okay, what you got?
Welcome back. Euro JPY. Had you been here, we would be winning this because this opened up in a massive call. I would have been on a call at the bottom of that green candle, but I just did it like a test bid. I mean, I don't know. I could have taken it, but you said don't take any bids. So
Test trade.
You said don't take
Well,
any
you could
trades.
have. I mean, I tried, but if we'd have
Look
lost,
at
we'd
that
have been in
thing,
the fifth trade.
Yeah, that would have been.
Is
a
it going to go
massive
up
win.
another one? Bounce off this line. This line doesn't seem to let stuff through, does it?
No, I think it's going to bounce. I mean, it could go. If it does, we can maybe win on this one. But that was a clear. It was.
Yeah.
I was kind of nervous about it, but that was a good double cross down. That was a good double cross win.
Dang it, stupid bladder.
I'm like, I think it's going to reject right now. It's too risky to take on a trade like now.
Yeah, it is.
But
Unless you took a put up here, but
right, that's what I'm saying. That's risky because it might just shoot through there. I mean, it's in a downtrend. It's rejected off this line every single time. I could take a 3-minute put right here, but I'd have to do it now. I mean, I'd have to do it even right.
And we don't know
right
how
now
far away from that line it's going to go. It can consolidate there, and we could be on the wrong
Right.
side of that.
Right. We need to get it up there when it gets up there, but it's risky. We really need the confidence of the double cross in sense like this one right here. Odd JPY.
I'm on it now. Yeah.
If it goes down from here and actually gives us some sort of double cross sign, like in the next candle, this next candle could be a double cross. it looks more like a better position. I mean, it might not, but it's like that would be more. Oh, dude, yeah, Euro USD. That one's also breaking down slowly, but now it's underneath. Do we think Euro USD is going to continue? Look at the position. That's a good position on indicators.
Hard to say because it is out of line.
We could take it.
The line back there. It's sort of back there.
Yeah. I mean, it's kind of hard to tell from here, but I got it set for 2 minutes. This would be one that I would put for 2 minutes. Even if it, yeah, because the indicators are down. Let's wait till this open and see what it opens like. Because it's throwing some green candles at us right now.
And this could be a rejection candle. I mean, this is like still not real far under that white line.
But right now, if the yellow and the blue cross the white, and the stochastic cricks,
I want to know about that line back there, bro. There is a line back there.
Where?
That we need to consider. Well, it's kind of
this one that it broke through. This one that it's going to get to. And where else? That one that it's going to get to. There you go.
Okay, so do you think the next one's going down?
I do. I would be more comfortable with like a 2 minute. I would let it open. Let's let it open because if it just...
But do you think the 2 minute could turn around?
Maybe. Let's do 1 minute. Let's let it open. Let's do 1 minute. Let's let it open and see. Let's just make sure.
I mean, we could take a minute and 30. I would go minute and 30 maybe, or even 1 minute or 2 minutes. You could do two. I mean, whatever you want.
Well, hold on a minute. We don't want to get
Let's
too
see
long
how
because it's getting down
it opens. Because it's going to retract a little bit. This is going to retract some, I think.
I want to see it cross. I mean, it is going to cross over. Let's just be patient because the indicators do point down, and they are crossing, so they're kind of dangerous. But I do think this is going down. Like the MACD is down.
You want to take it from up here, or?
That's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking like whenever we feel like the pressure is going to relieve, like whenever, do we really think it's going down? I mean, right now we could wait till it gets, like, do we think it's going below that red candle? It's been going down, up,
at this
down,
point,
up, down.
If it's going to stay, we might as well wait for the next candle to open up and see what it does.
Right. I'm on a minute 30.
Because it's just cranking up from here.
Right.
I don't know that it's going back down from here.
I think it's going back down. I think it's gonna get rejected off the white line now. I think it's underneath it. You know. But because I'm looking at what I'm looking at is the MACD is open.
From here.
Right. The MACD's open. The blue and yellow are crossing the white. Okay, so that means that it's making its turnaround. I mean, I think this is going to turn around. I could be totally wrong. Might as well watch it because I'm going to put it back down to a minute because I don't like a minute 30 unless we have a real specific reason. Like,
you got the trade amount in there?
It's 15:30 and it's heading down. I just want to see the moving average. I just want to see this start going down from here. If it doesn't, then the good thing is it broke the white line. It broke that line of resistance. Let's just call it the pink line. It broke that pink line of resistance. You know, it broke that pink line and it went down from there.
Because at this point, it's going to double cross up again.
Right. So, do you think it's going up for a double cross? It might. We should watch it. And if it, I don't know.
Well, this is going to hit a line too, I think, eventually.
It's going to hit that. It's going to hit the black line. I'm going to call this the black line. It's going to hit that line. So it's going to hit the black line up there. But yeah, I mean, we could call this if you think it's going up from here. Do you think it's actually going up? It's kind of hard to know because it's kind of all tangled up.
I think there's better.
Yeah,
there's definitely.
The indicators are not in agreement on this chart right now. The MACD is heading down, the stochastic's heading up. You know, the moving averages are tangled up with the white line. This is danger territory.
Yeah, that's nothing I want to place a fourth trade on at all.
I was hoping that actually thought I was going to catch this thing on its way down, and it was heading that way.
Okay,
probably missing.
Euro
We probably just
CHF
missed.
is about to double cross. Euro CHF, you got 40 seconds. It's
Okay.
at a white line, but the line's kind of shooting through, so it's kind of irrelevant. But
Yeah.
it could double cross. I don't know if that matters. It did get rejected off that line at that red candle, if you can see that. Well, and even the green candle, it hit it and bounced down. So I don't know that that's going to double cross at this point. That line does seem to be kind of significant.
Yeah. Let's watch it. Yeah, it's not gonna. I mean, like I said, when it didn't do that, we could have put that almost. We could have almost put it and made it happen.
Yeah. Euro CHF is not anything that I care about now.
Johnson
it changed
and Johnson.
into what I thought.
Johnson and Johnson is at a line of, like, if it breaks this line right here, it might tank. It's probably not going to, but it's possible. Oh, what's that?
Look at Euro NZD.
Dang it.
You got about 15 seconds. Does that look like it's gonna go through that, or is it a consolidation line? It's kind of at a line, isn't it? It's at a pretty strong line.
But it might. I mean, it might go down. But dude, look at USD CHF. We missed like nine red candles on that one. Euro CHF, we missed about 9 candles on that one.
Where? Euro CHF?
Oh, USD CHF. Sorry, USD CHF. It just tanked off. That's what I'm saying. The blue and the white and the yellow got all tangled up, and then they just crossed over and boom, it shot down. It shot through the white and just kept going. And it's at a line now.
Is it going to go? It's at a line.
Well, it's at a line right now. So, and it threw a green candle. So, like, if you think it's going to keep going, I maybe, yeah, dude. I don't know.
Yeah, this looks pretty close to a consolidation. They're staying at the same size.
Yeah, they hit that. This could be a turnaround. You definitely hit something. Maybe I do want them to be tangled up. Oh, dude, Euro RUB is kind of in that situation. It's kind of a crazy looking chart, but
yeah, that's that doesn't look good.
Yeah, that's not smooth enough, but it's going to double cross, and they're both overbought. So, I mean, there's too many big random candles in that chart for me to trust it. Oh crap! Euro JPY just double crossed on the way down, and it actually is broken below a lot of its resistance. I don't know, a lot of its support. Let's see. No, it's gonna hit lines soon. We should have found that. If we found that would have been a good one.
Everything's always in a line by the time we find it.
That was a double cross with the trend though, and that's what I think I want to find. A double cross with the trend. Okay. USD.
Okay, there's your double cross right there on. I don't know if it's about to double cross. It's double crossing as we speak. Yeah, but
yeah. Right. It's kind of a wackadoo chart.
Yeah.
I'd almost take a 2-minute put on this but then that chart just looks kind of cranky.
It looks like, there's so many wicks on that.
Right. Okay. I'm going to keep looking for with the trend, odd USD OTC, just double crossed with the trend. And it's heading up. We could probably take a 2-minute on that one.
Which one?
Odd USD. I don't know. I mean, we might be too late. The next major timer resistance is right there. Like that's a minor resistance, and then this is a major resistance up here. So
yeah, I don't know, man. This just looks.
That one looks pretty good. It double crossed with the trend though. But it's been kind of going up and then flat and then up. Then I mean, it could be flat in a minute right now.
Yeah, that's what scares
Maybe
me. It's
flat
not
right
a
now.
good stair step. Yeah, it's not moving enough.
Okay, but I could have won the double cross if I would have seen it. Also on NZD, I could have almost won the double cross on that. So I'm gonna just keep looking for double crosses with the trend or in a flat line. If not, I don't know, man. I'm just thinking we're gonna have to hurry up and win one. We're gonna have to end the podcast.
Yeah, we got to get our win here. Okay, something's about to. Okay, Euro NZD is just nuts looking, but it looks. I mean, the MACD is like right. The line they're going to cross up is
Ooh,
what they're
yeah,
going to
that's
do.
not bad, dude.
But
That's not bad.
do you want to take a 2 minute up, 2 minute call? Let that dip down and then take a 2 minute call. Or do you think
Okay.
it should go a minute
Yeah.
and 30 or just a 1 minute? What do you think?
I don't know. It's kind of going up, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, kind of, but it would kind of.
Yeah, but is it going up?
I don't know. That's the thing. I mean, it's kind of a
It is
strong
going up
consolidation.
Right now. I guess we could take the next one when it opens if we think it's going to be green.
But that could be the
Watch it.
turn.
Watch it and see. It's kind of that candle's kind of.
I don't want to
to
get a high position either, though.
No, I don't either. I just want to wait. I'm gonna wait till it opens, because if it opens and
Dips,
like that
then
would
you
be
could
a,
always
that would
take
have
it
been
if
a
you
one.
feel
That would
like.
have been a win.
I don't know though. This doesn't. I don't feel real good about this.
No, not now.
This
But that was
doesn't-
a good call though. That was a good call. If I would have got in on that, it would have won. Just
Yeah.
got there late. Like I got there like right when it had already flipped when I got there. Just look for another
I feel
one
like this
that.
just. I feel like this could drop 2 candles here.
Where
Did you hear my neck pop in the microphone?
Yeah. Which one was
You
it?
did?
Odd NZD?
Yeah, did you?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I did hear it.
I don't know.
Yeah,
This might
see,
go up.
I mean, this one might go up from here. Do you want to take? It looks like it's widening up. Do you want to wait till? See, I don't know.
It's moving
It would be a
slow.
narrow. That would be a very narrow win.
Mm-hmm.
Almost think we could wait for it to dip back down. Like, and when it gets back down, take a 2 minute call. Like when it gets back down to
But
the bottom
I
of
don't
that
know if it's
wick.
going to keep going in that direction. Is the problem?
You don't
We
think
don't
it's
know
going to?
if it's just going to.
Why wouldn't it? It's both out oversold. Look at the indicators. They're both. I mean, if it could dip down, I think we could take it. Like I want to see it go down. I want to see it go down to the bottom of that green wick, that last green wick. Because I
But
think
then
the
if it goes
indicators are
down
gonna
that
go
far,
up.
we don't know if it's coming back from there. That's the thing. You don't know.
But in indicator trading, you do know. I mean, unless the indicators start cricking. Like I feel like it's at least been down that far. We can't just wait till the
Okay,
top of the green candle and take it because it'll
Okay,
be
bro.
at the
Look
top of
at
the green
Euro
candle.
USD. Look at that right now. Quickly.
The top of it. Oh yeah. Okay.
Do you think you could take this next candle, or do you think it's going to go back up? It's a little bit out of line, but it's kind of crossed that line. I don't know. It's kind of hit this line and bounced here, so I'm not sure if it's going to break it. This is kind of risky. So
indicators. Yeah, this one's. I'd have to. Let me just look at it for a little bit.
this is kind of like what we won on a call before, but it could just keep going, or it could. That's what makes that stopped by that line before.
It's been stopped by that line, but like right now when it goes up, I could take like a 3 minute put, like right in here because the MACD is still down, the moving averages are still down. It's under the white line, you know.
Just because he's still down, though, I don't know. It's hit that line and it's bounced back from it. It looks like it's either going to consolidate or go back
that's
up.
a strong
from here.
line. That's a strong line. The indicators are not in agreement. It would be a guess. I don't have any strong cross indicators yet. I'm going to look for some. Oh, wow. Look at Brent oil. Brent oil could possibly be, I mean, I guess it could turn around anytime too, but I think it's good for a put pretty soon. It's kind of waterfalling down.
Yeah, you
I don't know.
could take the next candle on a put unless you think it's going to turn around, but I don't know. It's
Like-
kind of retracted a lot.
Like for
So,
a
I
couple
don't know.
minutes. Yeah,
I'd be
that scares
careful.
me.
Yeah, it's at a line, a major line back there. It's
Yeah,
right
oh,
at
yeah,
a
yeah,
line.
Yeah, it's too close. Okay, look at Citigroup. Citigroup's actually done this a bunch. Yeah, dude, Citigroup is actually a waterfall chart right now. There's no line on Citigroup that I can see necessarily. Yeah, no.
It's only a few candles. It's had
wanna
some
take a
big
2-minute?
waterfalls, so
You
I
wanna
just
take a
take
1
a-
minute or 2?
I'll just take a 1 probably, but
Okay. I'm gonna wait till it opens, and just make sure
Yeah.
that sucker doesn't just start tanking up. Because there's a wick on that, but there's no
just
wicks on the
retracting a
upper.
bit.
Yeah, I'm gonna
Yeah,
wait.
this one's retracted quite a hold off.
I'm just gonna wait till it opens. But if it, oh wow,
Yeah,
look at
this
that.
retracted an awful lot.
Let's stay on this one though. Stay on this one. Don't go. Should we just take a 2-minute from when it turns?
I
a
don't
little
know
green up
because
here?
that signaling a turnaround. But
I guess it could be.
I mean, it's been doing 3 or 4 red candles, then a green, then a couple reds, then a green, then a red, then a green, and 3 reds, then a green, 3 reds, green, red, green, red, 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 red.
And
Green.
the white line is. It does kind of look like waterfall, but not super waterfall. All right, just watch it and see what you think the next candle is gonna do. I'm gonna go back to 1 minute because up here,
Yeah, and you get trade amount set.
yeah, yeah, this is jank again.
Yeah, it's starting to turn around. In fact, the MACD's, if it keeps going, the MACD's going to cross.
All right, Euro GBP. Euro GBP is going down and it might cross. That's from Angelito 2314.
I'm not sure that
Angelito.
what did they do?
They said Euro GBP
Euros.
is going down. Euro GBP is going down, and it does appear to be going down. And the white line is kind of flat, and the MACD could cross and go down from here. If it does, I'm going to keep my eye on that one. Euro GBP. Euro GBP. It hasn't double crossed yet. Will it go to the white line? The charts, I don't know.
I'm on Citigroup, where I anticipate this is starting to head up,
Okay.
and it is
Keep
heading
an eye
up.
on your- Okay. Well, if you think I don't know, man, but it's in a downtrend. Well, I don't know if that's a downtrend though. That's kind of a flat downtrend. You want to anticipate you want a 2-minute call soon?
Well, look, you're about to get the same double cross here that you had on the one that you didn't take while I was taking a pee.
Right, exactly. Right. Yes.
Now, this dipped earlier, and I was thinking, man, if we took it right there, we'd have had a great position. We'd already won it. But this could,
That was kind of a weak double cross. But you want to take a 2-minute? You think it's going? Because it
hasn't
might
quite
cross in
double
this
crossed
candle.
yet. Yeah,
but
it might
in this
cross in
candle.
this.
We might lose. You want to take a 1 minute now? Like,
Well, it's got a high position.
okay.
So if it ends green, but it ends at a low doji or something, we'd lose it. So we're kind of at the mercy
So
of
the next
what this candle
candle
does. Or
the next candle might. Yeah, this one would be a possible double cross right now in this next 30 seconds. And I mean, I should probably, if we think it's going to, do you think it's actually going up? Because we could just take a 1 minute from a 2 minute from down here.
I don't
You
know.
tell me what you think.
No, it uncrossed. So
Yeah, but okay. So if this opens and
it's
crosses,
lost.
if this opens,
I
and
don't think it's
crosses,
going to,
should I
'cause
take it.
If it opens and crosses, I mean, it's worth it.
Then heck yes.
But I don't know, if we think it's going up, you should take it from here. But I don't think it is. I don't think it's. I don't know. I don't know what it's going. It's hard to say. It crossed a little bit, but
Euro GBP did go down, but it got rejected massive by the white line. And that one right there, yeah, we'd just be playing with fire. It's moving slow, but it is going up. The moving averages are starting to go.
But yeah,
I mean,
we'd be playing with fire here. This is just moving really like eerily slow here.
And it's in a downtrend. I mean, it literally is in a downtrend. So probably with anything, because it false double crossed kind of, should just take a 3 minute put from here. Because it didn't really double
Wait,
cross.
that's what you want to do?
Right, because it didn't double cross, and it's at a high point, and it's probably going back down. I mean, look at it. It's
Hold on, let me get back to it.
it's just farting around. It's kind of going up.
Well, now
a little bit,
it's sort of consolidating, but yeah, I don't know, because it still may go up, and I don't want to take a put if it's going to go up.
Look at Apple. Apple's kind of, well, no. The Citigroup is, indicators are moving up, yeah. But they're not strong.
Apple's kind of doing the same thing.
All right. This podcast has been 2 hours and 17 minutes. I told you we're going to.
I know what you told me, but I don't want to stop right now. Okay. American Express, dude. American
Yeah?
Express, look at this. Is this going to go down one more candle, do you think, or is it going to hold here?
I mean,
Kind
I
of
think it's going to hold or go up. It's been trying to go down. It double crossed, and it was a false.
Oh, dang. Microsoft. Bro, look at Microsoft.
Yeah.
It just
You wanna
crossed
take it
through the
low?
line. If it's going to be rejected, then this is the candle that's going to reject, and it's going to go back up. And we could potentially call it, or if it's going down.
Well, if it's going down, we should just put it for 2 minutes from here.
For 2 minutes? You think 2 minutes?
Well, or one, because it's kind of janky. I would say we make a decision. Is it going to
There's
go
kind
down?
of a line back there, right here, where it's at.
I think we make a decision. Is it
It's
going to
kind
go
of a
down
consolidation line.
from here? And then we take a 2 minute at the next candle. Probably, hopefully, it goes up, and we could just take a 2 minute from right now, because the indicators are going down, dude. Unless they just tank and don't.
Well, there's a consolidation line back there. Do you see that?
Yeah.
Right
mhm.
behind it, on the other side of that hump.
Right. So if you say
So
we should
I'm
wait
not
and see if
sure.
it's
It
gonna-
may go up. If this candle goes down through that, then I would go down. I mean, if you think it's going to go down, I don't know. I'm afraid it's going to turn around here. Otherwise, I would have already taken a put. But I'm not sure. Because this keeps retracting. So, and that line back there scares me.
Mm-hmm.
Just because we're on a fourth, that's why.
Yeah, we don't have a lot of time to screw around. I mean, I'd rather have a real trade that's going to win. Like,
But because
like,
there
can I
was a
take
little
Euro CHF at 12 seconds.
Look, dude. Okay,
Euro C-
dude. Now I'm convinced. I think this next candle is going to be a
Where?
red candle.
Gold? Is it gold?
On Microsoft.
Oh,
Microsoft.
All right, you want a 1 minute put right here? Yes,
Yeah.
that's a good position. Crap.
Yeah. Lost the
Oh,
position.
it just took it 2 minutes, but that might actually be better for you.
Well, yeah.
Euro CHF though, I think is. Oh crap! It was.
understand.
Yeah, it might have won. I was into that Euro CHF. Microsoft is. Where are you going, dude? Oh, he's taking a break. He's taking a break. I'm gonna have to go.
stretching my
I'm gonna
legs.
have
Dude,
to
I've
go
been
take a
sitting
break.
forever.
Yeah,
I'm
it's
just
only
waiting for
been
this
a
to
2 hour and 20
waiting
minute
for this to
session.
drop here like
Man,
a drop.
Euro CHF was like totally gonna win, dude.
What
Oh,
is?
it's gonna drop? Euro CHF.
This
was,
is drop. This is gonna be.
Oh yeah, you could win this one, bro. I'm
No,
gonna
we're
set,
gonna
reset
win
the
this one, bro.
timer for 1:30. Actually, I think I'm just gonna call this session. It's gonna be 11 wins because if we win this, which dang it, we would have won it at 1 minute. We would have won that.
We would have, but we didn't know that. But I think we're gonna win it at 2 because we're gonna get a third red candle here. This is going down.
Yeah, because it did kind of go
and-
down. And do you want to? I just want to be done because it's been 2 hours and 20 minutes. But
So we'll take the win on this and we'll just call it a session here.
yeah, it's 11 wins because if we go back in and end up,
No,
You
yeah,
know.
I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. I want to be because we're kind of
these charts
trading a
have been
bad
a little tough.
time right now.
Yeah, these charts have been a little
So-
bit tough. So I think we take what we got.
Yeah, that's a good idea, bro.
That's a slow moving downtrend. I'm hoping and praying that stays down. And
Yeah,
we'll
me
call
too.
this win 11. So 11 wins. Man, I don't know, bro. My thing is, we went to a. Is this a fourth trade? Yeah, this is a fourth trade. Oh, come on.
Go down, go down, go down, go down.
Go down. My mistake.
We
for
got
hitting
it,
a
bro. We
2-minute
got it,
timer.
we got it,
All
we
right,
got it.
We got to win. All right.
All right.
655.02. That's our wins tonight. 655.02. So let's put it in
Wait,
there and see where we're at. 655.02. We won $12. We were supposed to win 12.48. We won 12.06, but we had a 655.02. We had a surplus from the last night. So let's see where we're at. 144. Dude, we have cleared level 7 and we're halfway. We're $4, $3 and what? Yeah. 144. We are. Dude, we're almost to level 9.
How's that?
Well, because, dude, we need 144 to be at level 9, dude. We're at 140. Oh no, we need 146 to be at level 9. We're at 144. Probably because that was a fifth trade. That was a
Yeah, Yeah,
fourth
but
trade.
that shouldn't matter because we're not at 92%.
We're rounding
so
up,
that
bro.
should. Oh, because
We're
they're
rounding
rounded
up.
up. Okay,
And we
gotcha.
lost
They're
a-
rounded up.
We went to a fourth trade there. We went to a first. We went to a third. We went to a fourth trade here. Went to a fourth trade there. Rounded up fourth trades. So our winnings
Yeah.
tonight were only supposed to be 12.48, but we won 12.06. But we had money in the hopper.
Okay. Gotcha.
Level 7, right? So we're at level 8, but we're only $4 away from being to level 9. All right, folks, I
$4
got to
away.
end this. We got to end this. It's been a great night. We actually won 11 wins, and
It's
this,
actually middle of the day for us, but it's not really nice.
it is. The podcast has
evening.
been shortened. The podcast will be shortened to 90 minutes, and we'll cut out some of the middle section that took us forever. We did win 11 wins.
We just didn't want to stop on a loss. We wanted to end in the. Thank you, Angelito. Appreciate the fire there.
Yeah, so I'm going to cut out.
Thanks for joining us
uh,
and watching. She's from Twitch. I assume
Oh, really?
Angelito is a
She
lady.
gave us some fires. Fire! You're on fire.
Yeah.
My
Thank you,
backside's on
Angelina.
fire, bro. That was a long
Appreciate
training
it.
session. So what I'm going to do for the podcast, the live stream was 2 hours 25 minutes. The podcasts are going to be capped to like 90 minutes. So if you're listening on Audible, make sure Spotify, all that, you're going to get about 90 minutes of the session. We'll probably cut out the middle segment that we're just sitting around and Todd's trying to go pee. And so we'll get that up there. Make sure. you
Meanwhile,
give
we
us
lost a good position.
Yeah, dude, we could have won that one, but I trusted.
But
that I would
nature
wait for
calls,
you.
bro. I drank this big old Wendy's drink, and and so just kind of had to
Yeah.
go.
So
Make
meet
it-
us back on
it
Saturday.
stop.
We might do tomorrow. We'll let you know. We'll see you on the next.
Tomorrow
show,
we
guys.
will play
Thanks.
by ear because I got to go to a festival and stuff, and
Okay, he's got to
my
do dorky
hometown
stuff. All right.
hometown festival. So everybody have a
Hometown
great day. We'll see you again. Thank you. Bye bye.